ntho ya sokodisa Netflix iyadlala nini nkabe i-stop ayibere rekinyento
Password. Ya no hauna password.
Create account.
Create account.
Like kenya di login details.
Like it does the troubleshoot thingy.
Kenya di login details ne. Ebe game load. Hai tseta mo. Yere we don't consider the happen of kenya di login details.
Is the household the only account or
Yeah.
people have access to it? Is it connected to one TV in the house?
Yeah, I think so, huh, babe? Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
How about because I only when you are really interested, but if you want then no, but it's fine. I think we'll share tomorrow. But when you get home,
just video call here.
And then
yeah, I think that's kind of
Jonas.
Melan
South Africa.
Ele Ramatibedi. Alo Dr. November. Barata na so matba.
Le pona re dumela pona ka ipotsa re dumela o re akreditse mabona are doctor he looked tired.
Yo ka wampona hle. Wampona straight. Africa aring
Are no vivi ntse le etsa mo. I don't understand. Dumela Dr. Novi. Oh super.
Eletsa basadi le banna.
Basadi di bua nnete. Joe. Mare ba re hallo ntate. Guys, halimponi kapa batho lo ba ka be make up le ke ntate straight.
Ai ba dumedisana. Ba dumedisana o so.
Ke tula ke tla emela mohlama
Ai
dumedisana.
dumedisa ba jealous.
Are you comfortable?
You go to what?
So
Ai ka re nna ke comfortable.
Nna ke dutse right.
Dumela family.
O si dumela. Hi Dimple. And then mpodi cheta re tshwarelo ngwana se le wena mo dumela ngwana. Hi Dimple.
Bishop November and the family. Vinola, Vinola. Abasa refela, sorry. Thank you so much, Vinola. Thank you so much.
People, I'm gonna give you like 222. I'm gonna give you topic of the day. But only if you tap at the screen, like the screen. Abatwe yes, abatwe like.
Bagan flag, bagan follow, but tap.
Tap HNF.
Artusaka. Adla bar sugulisa. Dr. November na le mosadi ke se le ke hleng. Re sebetsa le yana mo.
Guys, lona le re tlo araba every day. Le re senyeletsa le di potential tse di re shebileng ka di question tseo. Topic ya today. Dumelani. Ene, rimbang honest. Akere la hopola this one. Ya pele, we don't judge. We listen. We didima.
Dimakatsa marwe marwe too close. Dimakatsa kre re fita ka phone. Re fita ka phone, so it's a must to out melane. Paseka rai big Arnovi big boy. Thank you my friend. Thank you Pase.
All right. Then Rabu.
What generator Vista. Yakamali.
Sholwena mara.
We are undertaker.
Kono la undertaker se ko shebile la lo emamane pela mufu. Undertaker o itse.
Undertaker.
Ke re ke morutwa me ho. Ke morutwa.
Like man.
Ka yetsa public announcement.
We end.
Yes. Ke re that's that. Ke ratile la o tsamaya wa. O Wait wa bona galona le that thing. O no sa tsamaye ka mogago, o tsamaya ka pele.
No, nka ke ga tsamaya ka borabo power.
I knew it. Selena, is that you? Oh, Selena. Seleke. Yo.
Long time it's been, yes.
Guys, that was... Oh, ne kutla nka re ka bike. Ka bona gore lefu le senang bike is a waste of time. Guys, lefu le senang di bike ha se lefu man. Se funeral. If that is brotherhood, guys. Klapelo na ke ma.
Clap different.
Oh. No. Ko ne ku utlwa ine le hone funeral kalama a di bike di ke.
Ke bike mo
Ayo. Sheba ine le hona ha di bike di ke. Ka le hona le fule kalama. Sure.
O bana le bike.
Oh.
Tebo molebina ntsa bile. Oh, ha na bu. A tsala batho
ba ya ba tloletse tebo molelo ba batho a bina le mno ba shebile ka mona ba shoot. Ai guys. Lefu le senang di bike ke bone mano re ka bapa shonta attire wise yo la para smart mare batho ba di bike
yo muruti o no sa tsamaye ka
Muruti wa no sa tsamaye ka sa BMW ha di ne le right
BMW it was not relevant for that
sure ha di hape e makoko man le modulo wa tenje o makoko
nna ke mo ratile ha
tsena ka kereke
ka sona
yo we bona ntentle yo yo Queen Shed shem
ar ka nka ntate thuso motho wa go
ena khotsa shem
ho ntate no vuetsa ntate no ville me sele ke kopa le nyalane yo
lona le sebete yo le boganga
ntho tsentle
gape ga gati country ya South Africa
le boganga ratele ntho tsentle so ene miaka November sentle helang ho aparamese o tla o jetsa hore banna ba
jwang ka le
Nzeki shebile video
ai suka le nna ke tsala ka ai suka o no entse fela o no entse fela ai
Ivo ane ke ntse fela
so
bona ne ke metšhisele bike yaka
ke so jwalo metšhising e kalo yona
ai mara guys bike tlela bike man Mama Azra,
let me mark the register. Good evening, people.
Okay, now.
Hello, Mama Azra.
Okay, let me mark the register. Good evening, Mama Azra. When God said we are aware of fake pastors, He was talking about you.
Yo.
Oh, yo, hi.
Oh, sikapa obuti wena o image ya. Image. Ubita. O kwatetse bophelo. Go go lo re fela o kene life ya fake pastor. O go comment, o bona ha ona life.
Ai bohloko nalmathat.
Yo.
Na ke re monna ke bike.
Ke re yalo.
Mara la tshwanela la hle le boganga e hle le bogao ke be pele. Mara go di chemistry ite.
Kai.
Tebo.
O chemistry iteng dimolo.
Tebo. Wena wa sebedise le go tshepa o le ke a rata. Maska dimela satana o sebedise tebo. No fi bike ya hao en robatsa thuko ke mosamo o thuko mosamo interest rate.
Thank you. Ai alena ke a tshoma.
Ai. Ke le dinyane la. O a re ya ke le dinyane la. Ko po tlo mpalamisa ba e ke moruti hle ke bone
space ka moga.
Ai wala rona wena itsa ba tshwantsa ba sheba bike wala o ipolela space ga re ke le jalla molo ye o nqetile hle ntate moruti ke kopa o ntshakela kerekeng ya hao tlo mothusi tlo you are available
you are allowed
Novi ya ba ya uthi
Novi bike ya hao e robatsa re ba di
okay guys are kene topicing
topic ya today ladies and gentlemen ne ke hore how far are you willing to go hore if you get married how far are you willing to go to save the marriage kapa how far are you willing to go to save the relationship if you look at lenyalo how far are you willing to go to make things right
and then fema back or what are the things you feel more ka di
yes
for
to make things right man le hore relationship e tloe staging sa bo relationship e be lenyalo
le Sunday no yetsa fela fela tamjo no vi ke bone le Sunday no yetsa fela moruti ke re ke a gago e mo kae I love to come okay re tla o jetsa ke re a re qeta mo dumela ntate Novi I really appreciate your
advices. I found them when I was at my lowest.
Yo, thank you so much. Fifi, thank you so much. Kind of gifty, interesting topic. But to Novi, we're not okay.
Pilela hamunat. But fine. Can I hear? Ladies and gentlemen, ke kopa ke repeat the topic of the day.
Facebook Kesi Dumelang Baratua Vuyani Peter are good evening man of God Manati Arjo
ke ha ke itshebetse wena fela papa. Okay. Now ha re bueng he willing ne hoya how far to save the relationship kapa to save lenyalo la hao kapa to make things right kapa for you to get married how far are you willing to go ke di indinto tsore nna I have seen them and I'm willing to change them ne I think it is clear
change how far ya change
galeri bua o willing hoya how far mar interesting topic for those fans about interesting topic body keledi ntabi didi hare keneng here you can request and then wa bua le gona how far are you willing to go yena na yene ka tseba ke personal je
when how far no vi how to far le hle ka re o ntsona le matla
Girly girl, matai.
Ahora pela.
Sure.
Hai matlonate.
Ai.
Ntho tse ngata.
Jwalo ka
borapela go rema.
Yes. But personally cannot silike kenang today we vent kapara buang kaparetsang bad pride stubborn and compromised in the relationship lady Deacon babana late
hallelujah power babana late na that is why ke ring gore mosadi ai wane ho nna ke sono it's like I want to get so much.
Mamma said,
Waluga.
John, or Regalin Lisa to Galinti. Galinti.
Hotel come. Power a guy like owl for Kirera owl. What?
Kuzek and our foodies.
I started.
Bua ntate moruti wa ka
le ha ne ke nyetse ne go tle botho go tsa ka sethotso di yo ka bone ndoto tsa dikuku nje
yo
ne go tle botho go tsa ka sethotso di yo a ka bone ntate dikuku
So o dumelana le geli hore matla teng.
a bohloko
Jona a re tla tabeng ena ga tla ntho tsa rona tsa hore re willing to go yang ya ha o kutlwa le interesting pele ga tla.
se le ke se ba ka yona
re bui ka ena ga feta fela. Butle ga feta fela ga feta. Ke go so re kentse mo ga feta. Jona hore matla ha o mosadi a iwane a ka sa emele.
ke so ke kopa matla mo
re batla matla hore ke sono ka motho a iwane.
ke so fapa ka nnete most
ba go bue ba batla o ba thuse bontate ba ntse ba go bue
ba re ke ba thuse jwang
o ka matla o ga a tswa kae.
no what's ba banna ntwe shapang banna ka Tamam Ndavazo. There's a difference between when you walk and when you jog and when you run. Yo. Miss Cole.
Ai abona tsa Mndavazo di revelation tse a re dile re mape a marokotsi ka tseo. Okay, there's a difference between marokotsi I don't know kotsi nna ke mo tlo ka letsa
To walk
and
jog
run.
and run.
Okay.
Banna they just run. And Mndavazo batla hore we must just walk.
Now what is the difference between walking and running?
How much
Mndavazo
oh no just have this example. How much how to khatha
ke tlo khathala
ka to tsamaya
I can walk
o ka tsamaya
o tlo khathala batho so tsamaile haholo
how so tsamaya but if o tshwanela ho matha no tletsa
limit o ba limited
ntse sa pambana
because I can walk ho fitlela mane ke be ke tsilele ka nkana but ho rana chances are that ha ke tlo fitla le mane ke tlo fitla fela mo
ya o tla bokhathetse
yes
so the problem ya Ndavazo ntse sa pambana le basadi Ndavazo especially banna bana ba matha
especially
banna ba ya matha kanti Ndavazo batla masoko ho you take your time and you relax it. Now you don't spend your energy to le below, but you take that energy we investor motsamayo alinku
ke share
they run
le bona le batho ba tla e bona
o ka feleke
no ne ke re ntho o bua e ka thusa the whole count. No, the whole country join because can I followers saying that he repost.
Monipo are utlwa hantle.
Wow.
No, but I'm telling you, it's just it's like no. When it's a Maya, I can go the distance I came at.
Yes.
Because I don't I can get energy yaka. Make it spend investor who matter. But when it matter, automatically get ohatal because energy yaka is investor
Mato.
So Mndavazo, how should back to matter? You just take time.
You walk.
And you just walk and walk.
And enjoy the journey.
And walk. You are not going to tire. You are
not going to get tired. You and whatever when you walk, you decide.
Yes.
Oh, okay, monana food.
You decide.
You decide. When Morana, Libino Kilona, you decide. Oh, okay,
and you walk and you communicate.
Oh.
With the
with the co-worker. You decide.
Baby, can you go further?
Kapa re emise.
Jale, banna le basadi ntho ba shapa le banna ba matama. Ba etsa di fakang ke fuko.
Let's clap and tap. I sleep. Elati ka ngelemo. Ya tlunga motama metse ka go tsobina ba go risiba.
O tiki ba ya tsama ga mo phele.
Ntlela ngida ke go phele plus wa tsima gona re staff se singata.
Phele.
Sure, hi guys. Clement.
Then ya bobedi you usebedisa
network eo
ke network ke nare
okay
utlwe se sa mtsolela ka spata se utlwa No, that is the problem, Yavan. Rahani ka festering. You shebi. No, that is the honestly that's not banna bona. Har tata be yam davos. Hal banna man. Hape ntesha pang ke network ka net ke aruna.
Mara no carry right.
Isap meskativa, isap ka pense sugudis.
Ke bona honna monana ele right. E tla jwa mona. Okay, me love.
Network isap ka pa guys into session.
Ke nana Eva ona bo. Isap ke bona
Eva isap. Yes, ke alona.
Isap no.
Isap.
Okay. Thank you.
We can network ya visa.
How tebo. Isap all right.
Now, can I get it? Banna nthe ba shapang. Ke ho mata. Ya pele ne. Chup. Nthe tse shapang batho mo dafatsong guys di two. One banna ba etsa sona. Banna ba tsebore le basadi. Most ya banna le basadi mara e etswa ke banna haholo. Thank you Rahari. Thank you Ora. Thank you Ntombozi. You are not you. So banna ba people they don't understand or kana kwa mdavazo re exchange na ka monata. Ha ke bua ka mdavazo. But ke go shara fela hore kana kwa mdavazo re exchange na. Ka monata. Kinga sikanyaka. Ke o fa yona. Ke o fa umpa
barbecue.
Ka ba 6 guy. Re exchange.
Oh.
Ka menate ya rona. Now here's the thing. Now now as a man jalakan na hasi sole saka sa mkhondo wesisi sika sa thewa ka diperejuta sa thewa sa jiti masaje sa mathafatse o fedile na ho fedile kana ho fedile. Now to avoid that I don't allow sisole saka si mathefatse ke se dumelle ke se tshwara ke se tshware ke dumelle sa motho setso because lona advantage gore se sole sa hao la ske sa tswa but ha hona ntho e wang ha iwe ntho lona
meshe o ntsotswela
ntso gona ntse le gona that is ona ba sa di ba gona ho se sole sa bona se ka tswa 3 times 5 times 7 times 8 times 10 times. I don't know about what continue.
So
wow.
Nka a re wa gola botoro lo mpeso le basadi ba no mpeso le basadi ba ena mpeso
Sure. Okay.
ka nnete na le batho ba matang countless se fapang ke ba nnete na le batho ba matang countless
Sure.
countless okay ha re tlwele re bua ka taba ya gore pitso ko bone le mo profita wa ka isa le re gawa maoba kwa now batho ba le bala gore ntho important ko exchange ka menate that is why when re etsa tshebeletso re davaza nna because ke a tsebana ha ke sesole sa ka sa tswa ke ketile ne I don't allow sesole sa ka se tswa
Okay.
ke focusa wena ke focusa wena
Okay.
ke focusa wena and then and I focusa wena I make sure that ke etsa fela
You walk the walk.
I walk the walk. Ke etsa fela. Hallelujah.
Yo! What a powerful sermon.
Ke etsa fela. Umuntu hlaya China. Ke emana se China se. Yeah, something China se. Motho a sa bui China o tla tsio. O tshwantse motho a bue ntho sa utlwile.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
A utlwisa gore o kgona go communicate le bo Jet Li.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Le mo go tse a re ha
Ar muruti ke jona. Kale sar muruti ke jona.
Ape.
Ntate tse ba story sa hao.
Okay.
But I'm
Yeah.
telling you, then ke sebetsana le wena. And jwale ke sebetsana le wena o tswe ke etsang jwale ka nako tseo. Sesole sa ka ke a se thiba because bontate ba bangata ba tsebe gore sesole se sebetsana le sona ka kelello. O se thiba ka kelello.
Oh.
O se thiba ka kelello. Wa se utlwa sesole sa o se tlotswa. O se thiba ka kelello. And then hona le basadi ba kgona mo se tlisa. O kgona mo jwetsa gore ntho e etsang eno ya le tla theola sesole sa ka. That is how tshwanetse o communicate we mogotsi wa ka o teng Dr. Moloi mo rile that is how tshwanetse o communicate we ka nako eo go nkang monehelo wa ka ka morele because o kgona go jwetsa motho mo yeno yona jwale tlo etsa gore sesole sa ka se betsele o bon then ho rume re kgona se sebetsa ka kelelo gore o se thibe ka
Jalo o mo jetsa ore a ka tlwele monate o.
le tshintshantse a krio go na le pleke tse gore ga o fitla go tsona wa utla yena e tlisa sesole now o tshintsa fela sebaka seo o tshintsa sebaka seo
Ha o se sitse kwetse.
o tshintsa
fela
o tshintsa sebaka seno se etsang gore jwale sesole sa hao se hloke control nka re ke Mmathi
le Thandi ya. Okay, all right.
Tumela.
Hello Mama T.
Ana dile kae?
I'm not love you ka.
Ha le go bolele ka po hona le something e le buang ka yona.
Ra le bule.
What's the topic today?
Topic ke gore, are you married or are you in a relationship?
No.
yo
Aga nyalwa ke relationship.
Okay.
how nyala how relationship
A go relationship maganya o relationship. Now my question is gore
Ha ke relationship in aga nyalwa. Mari question you can bring I can answer.
Okay.
auswak pasala tsa ntate Modimo o fileng tsona ha ona mo di sebedisa lenyalo le relationship o di bolokile fela
Ka dimpho tse jang.
Mathi le tlo re ntse la
What's since go follow ne?
eh
Go tlile hore ka go follow this year.
damn
Khushu, wana ke kana e bile go nna le motho ka mo gare.
Right.
Ke tlo senya nako.
All right.
Come on, follow.
Serious. Ene wa ntse pa fela ke tshintshile lebitso. Ke Inos.
Innocent.
Ke show maro ka moitse.
Ke
Now mplelege how far kiwo a ihlaisa girl man.
Pomona.
Hello wena. Nyame.
Innocent. Mama mosuna itso matha ka mra hao. O mo bue.
A o sona le siko ene le wena fela that day.
O kae motho?
Wa se batho ba bana kana nne. A ke go itse na le batho ba tletseng mo lehatsheng. Go sebetsa ka batho. So ga di bona dilo tse gona re she ai bone mahibe sa bone le radi. Rona re cheka le radi pele.
Okay.
I don't mind coming to you. Ke tlo fetsa dilo I'm divorcing ke processing ya divorce ke betse re fetsa alesi and then you kana ba batla ntlo ele for ne ke mona ke ramane o itse ke bona stress ke ba itekela ntlo no o tla reka ka know I can come wherever you are I can come to Bloom you kana ba batla ntlo then ka re ai
Mar wena Inos wena wa ke no qala go kopana le motho stranger le kopana life mo la botse motho tlo re batla reka ntlo o re
no you know the topic ne. It's not like oblela motho what you have, what you don't have. During the other topics, you're talking about your vision, your missions, wabo. Karai wena, karina, karina ko khosa tsana ku bungwena, ke ntse tsebeng kwena go metsi. Then say yes, but the other night, last week I think. Motho wa hae ka kene mo paneleng engwe apparently ona joka le me o mong motho wa ka tsena mo di commenting hey le nna ka request ka tsene nna ka tsamare ka dula ka itshela ka guys what's going on Ajwa am phonela ka re ana mphonela buela ko paneleng
Ma why no etsa jwang?
Why would you want to eat other people's plate whereas you have yours? Why do you want to have so many plates?
What
if one plate?
What if una batla polygamy?
He never discussed that with me. You can't just involve motho mo team decision. Yeah, hi.
Honest.
Okay, but if ana itse mo wena o na le mosadi batho wa o rata o batla o nka number 2 o no tlo dumela.
That was another topic. Ke dumela ke tseba ke kana khara eng. Also, okay, this thing it's like look over say something batho ba say utlwisisi simple thing ne. I'm finding number tsa how I must to kope ho founela ka WhatsApp call or a video call. Because now, if go phone la fela ka tsone, ke o force ho patala a bill yaka. Bill yaka o re nna ke batla ho founela, o e share le nna. You understand? So how do you motho pele you kindly so ke ne ke kopa ho founela ka WhatsApp.
O kopa motho mo founela ka WhatsApp?
Yes. Batho ba bereka sometimes what if you are sleeping and the economy it's tough no.
Okay, ke kopa o botsa my love. Ke utlwile story sa hao now ibile wena I think ho latela story sa hao you are the very relevant person. How far are you willing to go to save the relationship kapa to get married? How the relationship is?
If udula fatile motho communicate alone and you respect a person and udumela motho abeli le ke batla bua hantle ka Sesotho
before araba Tampane, you guys are complicating relationships. Ubwanet. Ubwanet, Tampane Ubwanet, but I keep a theory to allow.
Yeah, but it's true.
But honest.
Complicated as one.
No, can't tell once when you have a person and Mama T. Sound
Okay, so
I fully agree. Tampa. Or about how complicated the relationship. So far, because there's no way more to how a current have then it below Lenahana deep no. If I'm phone like
then over like you to patella defeat our home phone.
No, but that's not like
okay. Let me explain it. I understand that
yes.
part. It wasn't about a relationship. I said it's an example. Yeah, something very easy. Already, get like anywhere like how timi motho maikutlo a high ho go ikutlwa jwang. If ntori yetsa re le babedi, it should be us.
Mati, now Harris Kera yetsa the example is telling how they are out of topic ya rona kapa what you are talking about. Can you, because for now we don't understand the situation also make relevant example about so that when we judge rejection to a pillar.
Okay, simple how timi motho maikutlo a high ha letsa ntho le babedi, it should be lona le babedi e seng wena we decidele o le mong.
Okay, can you then please answer question and I generalize ne? Because I said today's topic is very, very, very personal. When how far are you willing to go to save the relationship, kapa to move the relationship from being relationship or
for Kanyalo?
For Kanyalo, how far are you willing to go?
Maybe I can understand it. Like maybe you have problems. The problem is then ke
not necessarily linearity problems. How far are you willing to go?
I would give it all.
Joan.
How?
And one of the most intriguing nka yetsa ndi ithatha ya ho hlule ho what's go mamela
le tsore le kana ya sa ithole ho lona batho go
e hlabose tsiki o batla go bantsa
nne ke mo balle comment on Facebook, maybe utla understand o wena you are o kaya to a level of
if I will let you go of my pride and I'm willing to compromise and let what Facebook guys and let go of my expectations of someone that is for me to get married and what
to take my relationship to the next level. Ari yena is willing to let go of my pride. I am willing to compromise and let go of my expectations of someone. That is for me to get married and take the relationship to the next level.
Dampani, what's your area? Because most about to work around the relationship, ne? And then Baba Marabanya. But the question is, ki fin to mutaike misedite yetsa. Eka yetsang hore
relationship ibe fihle lenyalo kapa ho save relationship a leng ka yona kapa lenyalo
ke di feeding to willing ho di etsa
I will follow my pride. I will submit.
You do have the pride.
Yeah, yes. Eating yona, eating.
Okay.
So I will follow my pride and communication.
You are not good at communication.
sometimes ra out of line, to be honest.
Okay.
And rona basadi ha re rate ho idumela.
Okay.
And I will totally stop this thing of blame shifting and be accountable.
Wow. Come on, someone when you are that person, you were or you are that person who's blaming who's shifting the blame.
Ha ke batla hore ke jalo but ntho ke hlokomelang gore ha go kopana le mathata ke re nna se ka bua ka batho ba bang ha ke kopana le mathata ma ha ke kopana le one in relationship ha o tshwanetse ke re fela ke kopa ntshwarele before ke kopa tshwarelo ke batlana le ntho re tletsa argument wa bo then ke gona hore ha ke kopa tshwarelo le yena hona le ntho nyana e wrong, apologize.
Are o shift a blame instead of yena are I'm sorry o tlo batla wena motho o addressang issue a shift so that le wena o be something e o force mo gore a skis.
Okay, wa ba tlo ya down ali one.
Yeah, ha ke ga skis le wena o ga skis.
Wa tseba ntete mo gotlo se ke bua nnete re jwalo batho ba bo mo ke bua le o se apla hao ha ke mo sedi awa
Mara sing every day.
I say every day. Okay, ke lebile ke kopa ke tla le jona ke kena ka mosebetsing.
Okay, before tsamaya o qadile o di tsebile neneng dintho tseo le tsona.
Ke la ka stopa la go ke stopa ho jola na hansi like no bone ntse ke dutse na lona hana o checka o ke tsheyo gore marotse ne ke sa tlameetsa no VJ why really difficult to feel like ke kopa tshwarelo and some things ke be ke bona ke ra tsa mara mo ke nna ntla sentse.
Wow. Come on, someone.
A jana hanela maikutlo a motho o mong ke ne ke shebile nna fela and before anything re batho kaofela.
So come on, someone. Or motho ka kopana le yana o lo kopana le yana o le a different person now.
Ha bohloko ebile ke batlo lo senya nako o re ka modimo fela ka utlwa ntho e pelong
a modimo wa ka
ke re le ngwana ke a o jetsa nka qala ka kopana le motho no this year and le ha ile hore ke go I'm so ready that le ha ka se wake out after mohlomong ngwana a beteng ke totally I'm not going to regret anything.
Sure.
Ha ona ngwana kana o itse le mo dikae
36.
Sure. Yo.
36 with
no child.
Sure.
Bonus.
Bona like bona 3 years ke dutsing like batsadi ba kula le nna ka kula bona ai ke khotsofaditse ka ntho e nngwe le e nngwe no ke ntbatla o ba nne ke sharp.
Okay. But was something that is very powerful. We khotsofaditse that means ha re already to settle that means she knows hore hona anything better outside.
Nothing. Ke bila ke batlo lo taste ke batlo shebana le ena ya ka skobo sena se ke tla o se greya ke dilane le sone.
Already. And I was like kopakulu but you know I think about batshwana le lona wena Martin but batshwana le lona le ka etsa o be easy in a relationship. Lona batho ba ready the way o le ready ka teng. But ba dutsing ba ishebile ngole ba ka bona somebody is very desperate. But go just actually I will say marriage is for desperate people who are willing to pay. Marriage is for people who are desperate because Lena Gibitimana made very desperate for marriage. Because labor to Basebet and they are desperate for Msebit. Labor to Baba come Sebit, but
desperate for Msebit.
But desperate. So, but what's on when I think okay, it's be easy because when ukopala limutu are willing to fight for the marriage, to fight for the relationship, who is anything at something I change to feed the relationship, that person also how to change. I respect him alone.
Yes, because we only focusing on desperation but not being ready. And now what's the you are desperate. You get it inside, and it's boring. You can't even handle some of the things sejuang. But when you are desperate and ready, there are ways. Whatever I batla ntwena ke aka. Modimo ha no mpha yona aba decide go se mphe matla hore ke hlole.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
See you later.
Bye. Wow.
Palisa, I'm
ready,
not
but
desperate.
not desperate.
People, they don't understand the desperation.
Colombia.
Mulo iska kena pi. Dr. Mulo iska kena pi. Harenke maikuta ba mamedi ke monna. Mulo iska kena pi. Network ya hai kapa ke runa.
Kinana ke hai.
Doctor ska kena pi. Twa ke ska ka utinya pi man. Harenke maikuta ba mamedi pi. Hey,
Colombia, how are you?
Kiteng le kae?
Kiteng.
Mina ke re ke comment ntho ausi a qetang ho itsho hona je tena yang affect. Hobane sometimes re le basadi re khona ho shift blame. Recently.
O tlo bua ka wena.
Tlo bua ka wena ne? Okay.
Recently, le nna ke bile le argument nyana. No sa tshwanelang hore e be teng, wa ibo. E ba kwa ke nna le teng. Okay, ne re le phone re bua. Wa la phone ya ka ka mo jwetsa hore motho ke tla khutlela ho yena. A ntjwetsa hore nka phone eo o tla khutlela ho nna ha o qetile. Hobane e ka ba hore e le important phone call eo. Okay, it's fine. Kanka call kanka 45 minutes. Ka khutlela ho yena ha tshware phone. Okay, I'm phoneela maybe after an hour. Ha qeta I'm tjwetsa hore hobaneng o nkile sebaka se kana.
45 minutes.
Okay, ke am jwetsa hore a ke re kwena o itseng ke nke call hobane o ka etsahala e le important. Nna ke be ke o jweditse hantle hore ke tla khutlela ho yena mothona hobane ke sa bua le wena. A ke re ho nna mara ke hane mara nna ke botsa hore hobaneng o nkile 45 minutes ka o fela ho khutlela ho nna. Wa ibona jwale ka le nna jwale hore ke ska khona ho fetola mothola ka e fetola ho yena jwale blame. Re wa hopola le wena maobane o nkile 5 hours go mfounela. Mara nna ka bua nix a ka kwata kana ka tswela pele le bophelo. Hobaneng wena 45 minutes eo
Ke sa elwane.
o tlisa bohloko bo. Ba phala 5 hours ka o fela we. Ne ke le kae 5 hours eo. Ke re no le mosebetsing o etsa night shift a re jwale. Ke re no le busy le mosebetsing a ke hane empa wa etsa nako ya motho mo ratang. Wa utswanyana 3 minutes hore o ntwetse hore ke tshepisitse hore ke tla o founela empa ke a bona hore nako ya tsamaya. Nna ke jwalo ke mo jweditse ka re bo busy ka o fela re busy re le batho. Empa re a khona ho utswa 3 minutes ke khutlele ho wena ke o tshepisitse ntate hore ke tla o founela empa ke bona nako ya tsamaya ene ke sa le busy mona mosebetsing. Ke tla khutlela ho wena hape ha nka thola nako ke phetho ke tu e fella mo. There is no need to complicate hore wena o tlo emela 12 o'clock bosiu o be le lunch empa wena o ntshepisitse ka 9 hore o tla khutlela.
Jwale ka nako tseno se le lwanela yena ya
hours.
Le kweletse yena ya hae.
Jwale se ke kena ho ya hae jwale ya 5 hours I spendileng. Ke tloela yena ya ka ya today ya 45 hours.
45 minutes.
Ya ni ya maobane. I bona bothata ba rena re le basadi ke bona bo.
But now you are in a relationship, Miss Kat. Okay. What is the intentions of our relationship you in?
My intentions is to build ke tle le ntho se ko tafole e be tafoleng le ena a tle le something a be tafoleng re build it together e seng hore
o batla ho bona relationship yen ile lenyalong kapa o batla ho nyalwa kapa the intention tsa ke ka
ke batla lenyalo ntate ke batla lenyalo empa ke batla hore yena a bule mahlo a bone hore nna ke tletse hore re tlo aha mona.
Okay, ke a pele yone he ya bobedi ke o shifta blame ya bobedi ke
okay ya bobedi e ka ba pride ka hore ha sa founa yena le nna ke bone bohlokwa ba hore nna ke founa.
Kelma
o ba sa mo gopola
ya mo hopola nako eo ya mo hopola empa ke tsa in the distractions tsa hore ke ska mo hopola ha ke mo hopotse yena ha so phone ha so text e re ke kene somewhere whether TikTok ke te keep busy hore nako e be e tsamaye. O tla be a founa he yena ha sa mpona ke le paneleng ke tse ke bua le banna mola re qota about the relationship ai mo he o nkoba ka le festere a re o mola e re ke phone ene o etsa ka mabomo.
ke kopa botsa potso lena la kwa ka le jola
a good
lena la kwa ka le jola
bona le 6 months.
okay kopa botsa potso ya dilase le o iwane ho yena kapa le bakae wa tseba re le bakae ho yena
a ke tsebe
today
kae ho yena
today
sure
mosadi mo wa ntsetsa hore ke mo cancel o nyetswe ba lwana le monae monna qeteletsa tsamaile a lo dula le bosadi mo Bloemfontein mona now but nene monna wa khutla ba lokise nene monna mofia now hanza njetse ke ho etsa lang ka lona no we always fight le lwana we always fight in one play la dintho tsena tsa dinto ke re ho yena okay are you aware hore you are not alone to that relationship
jara ona le motho mo
wa bala this lady on a relationship ya 6 months ona hana hore that person ya hai o fihle jwang ho yena number 2 ona hana kopane le motho ana nga sa jole
nna jole
ona
e khonale
now ona hana o tliswa ke eng wena ke nyementse gore a qeteletsa tlo kopana le wena
like maybe the relationship is a difficult
me ditata ke kan ke di thusa dikela le what's ba lona basadi le underestimate ke botse potso na before ke bua something ke go ba botsa potso intention ya boyfriend ya o ke eng a re ke eng the intention tsa
are o batla rebuild le lapa nna le ena
okay
ona mpotsa few days ago
okay.
are
okay
o ka se apare marukgo kwa hae jwang ke mo jwetsa hore nna ke na di cat
when I'm just got to change because otherwise if you change to bona linyalo perfect weight TV yeah sure. 157
papa oh
yeah not you
promised to marry me
Dr. Novinta Makatsang gore maobane ne re bua like for the first time ne re communicate longer than before we first met wa ibo and just ke mo jwetsa gore wa bona o ka re honaje o so ngata go feta pele re kopana le ena dumela re e ya bona honaje go rata go feta pele re kopana ka wa hopola hape ke ile ka o botsa hore wena ke eng ntwe o e ratang honna ya o hlola potso eo ba wena a o tsebe e
special le underestimate entire motho ya ready o commit. There's a difference between a boyfriend ya re nna ke jola fela but I can have the intention I ke batle le re let's have fun. Obana mo you can do whatever o ka se foki o ka se etse when the person are let's have fun. When I banna ba jwa ba o jitsa gore let's have fun. Ne and then mo ga ba o jitsa rena ke batlo nya ne for now mo ga ba re ha ke ready as much on tsona le banna ba gona go bua maka motho ba ro ready but le underestimate ntho tse pedi. One, basadi le underestimate taba batho ba ready for commitment. Le underestimate motho ya ready for commitment. Who batla ha motho ya ready for commitment le ho batla motho ya batla mo jola me batlo eno mebedi ya difara guys.
Yo,
a ke tsaka swa ke
e pretty good.
Ho batla ha motho ya ready. When somebody who's ready a batla commitment le motho ya seng ready as much ba batla but me batlo yeno ia difara but one ba difara but we are both of us we are looking. I'm looking for commitment. Maybe Thabo kapa Joseph is also looking for commitment. But look yaruna, that looking yaruna ya difara.
Okay.
Ke tla uyo.
Eish. Ya ntatena ho buile nnete wa tseba.
I get it. There's a difference. O bona tsela yeo ke share banka teng no. The relationship e ke kenang ho yona. Le tsela ke ne ke kena pele ka o jola. Okay, let me make an example. Nka kena nka ratana le basadi. Ne? But ke a tseba hore yena if ke sena the intention, ke a tseba hore ho yena ke tlo ba jwang.
Okay.
Mar ho yena ke na di intention. Ke a tseba hore ke tlo ba jwang. Ke tlo ba batho ba babedi ba different.
Okay.
Ho motho ya na le intention le motho e ke na le intention. Ne? Number 2, le di expectations tsaka batho bana ba babedi di tlo differ.
Yes.
Ho motho yo ke na le di intention le motho yo ke sena di intention. The expectation tsaka
they're going to differ.
differ again. So lona basadi ntho e leng underestimate it's when motho le ready for commitment. Now motho ya ready for commitment a batla go setlela o fapane le motho ya seng ready for go setlela ba fapane.
Okay, but how do we then see them as
The difference.
Now expectation tsa motho ya batlang go setlela o swaka ke tlo tshwanelang hore o di meet. If ke tla bophelo ba o ke batla ke re hona jwale nna ke tlo nyana ba tutsi ba rona ha yo tlo tena burugo a me tlo tena misi wena bo ntse tsoro wena ona misi you're just wasting my time. Ha ke batla ntwa mantwane mona. It's like when you are coming from Musebet, you are forced to qualify for that job.
Okay.
You are going to be forced to qualify for that job. Because if negili boyfriend different, but that guy negili boyfriend different, una sa go for ka ro tinne mi so tinne di short. That is why ke give back the expectation of their fapa. Number 2, when mothea batlang a fihla ho wena, a batlang ho setlela, a ba fihla wena, a o tswa kae?
Di exe.
O tloswe ke.
Maybe ko ba ne ba sa mo mameli.
Jona wena o sa mo mameli o reng?
Eish, o tlo tsama.
O
re fitela pele.
O re nketse ex ya hao. Wena o re no nketse ex. O swaka. If you don't change wana runa, especially jwala ka wena o re batla o nyala, o batla commitment, o batla nyala. If you don't change, you are straight the accent and because or I feel wena. It means he is looking for something. And if when you don't give that person try batang, on ta tlo tsela pele o isheba.
Sure.
he will continue to look for that
up until he gets
until I
it.
told her.
Thank you, Ntate Novi.
Always is a little erratic. But that's true.
And the third part, now the last, there is no way uka kosebedi some pride for something you way back. What was pride? Most of us, that is our problem. What guys can something I play Peter. I met the lady, also kila mwana the lady ne kukupani le nene khaile na TikTok ngakre. Okay. That lady, she was young. She was 25 years. Ne? I met but about 28, 30. Marikileka tsaba we komita libona sileke wa tseba. I met but about 28, 30. Kileka tsaba we komita libona. That is why I did not even take the step kabona. Kaba introduce kaba kisa kereke ngaya family kaba isa family. I did not do that. But why I did it, that lady?
Yeah.
She made me to do that. It did not come just automatically, that thing.
Okay.
She made me.
All right. Okay.
The behavior, the attitude, she made me.
Sure.
So if as a person, as a woman, you don't know how to make your partner to see a wife well, yes, as Ninani Alcala.
Sure.
She made me.
Yo.
That is why I met Basadi Baba Kebajwang, Baba 28 years, but Nekima Tabekir, Baba Nyan, Baba 30. But somebody who had 25 years, she made me to trust her. She made me to Kimutis. And what that lady? Kimutis, I get a king, become introduced. I saw you into him. To take a girlfriend, take him introduce again. Number two, I can so in girlfriend, take him say hi, Kiri, Dra, Kanyala. Redule Fatili family Kirkanyana. I saw you into King girlfriend that I say into social media. But I did it,
As a lady.
I fit at the excess. I can't think you go. But she made me. And I keep feel comfortable. She made me, guys. And if you don't know how to make your partner, let the remote. Le khono shebela 157 you promise to marry me.
Sure. That is powerful. What you have just said.
Because guys, sometimes ngata huena ha fita wena be kidwa ki lidi doubt fears. If you don't help me,
sure.
If you don't help me to see you and to trust you and to believe you, and
to add on that, what Colombia just confirmed. Instead of bringing that peace modification, we want to compete. Luena. Now, when you say don't wear dresses, go higher in, I would reason. I would. Kita contest and I think it's a problem about because now we don't want to meet your expectation, rather contest them.
Why don't you make that person to see you, or you are care, you unali care? Why don't you make, and it doesn't matter but to show that person or you are not mufuto jwa moto. Unali care, unali le rato na why say see.
Sure.
Hey, sometimes re basadi re tshaba hore file o ka re.
Bona profile mo.
Ha ke phone pele o so phone.
Kisali kefetse le ditunu tseno wena o tlo bona motho eno a ho nka akanyala.
Bosa.
I get to become a woman at you once. I get to become.
I did say this one thing. Come taller, didn't the pond buntomun, didn't talk, the Libitan.
The pawn shop.
I see the pawn shop or didn't talk. tsa di-porn eng.
Oh, eh.
Ha re batla ho bona dikuku re kgona kena dintho tsena re bone di-app-eng re bone dikuku tse jwang viewance se yona e ka etsang hore thole lenyalo. Ha re batle viewance, re batla your personality, your character, your behave.
Empa mo wona ke di etsa kaofela nna ha ke ya monneng ke tsamaya le grocery ke o jetse ke kena Shoprite.
Ha re batle ntho eno re kgona ya shopong re lo reka dijo.
O thusa go reka grocery mare o bo computer le yena. Ho reka grocery ho thusa when a sa phone bo sa phone. When o tlameile o re sorry o bo batla ho mo botsa wena you did eng ka o lwantsha. Now ho reka grocery le viewers ha di tlo thusa. Because ha you phela le grocery, ha you phela le viewers, o lo phela le wena. Somebody o reasonang when a sontsa a apologize. Somebody a contestant the expectation tsa motho. Then ha you phela le di grocery mo silo phela le wena.
Le la ba di viewers ha le ke la bona dikuku tse ntle, dikuku di ntle hore mo dinthong mo.
Se khabisitse.
Dikuku di ntle mo nthong. Le re keng?
Wa kile mo hile ke a utlwa di advice ke tla dinka. Ke tla di
Nna
sebetsa.
ke le ka tatelo shega show.
Nna ke mo fa viewers ha sebe ba ba masutata. A sebe hona le app ya dikuku tse ntle le di body tsa teng. Lona le tsebe nix. Hona le app e bitswang ntho, e bitswa mang?
Ha ke
E
tse
bitswa ntho. Ke ena. Ke bitswa rating eng ke tla e hopola. Ka mo sheba mo. Ke bua pela ntate modimo. That app ina le ma India le ma China le ma ba.
ba re ke Tinder.
I seen Tinder. Tinder is swag. I see Tinder that.
O Tinder swak.
I swag.
O wa itse le ne Tinder.
I tla go ka yo.
Yo, I le kotsi. Yo le kotsi.
Red velvet.
Sure.
Ke bitswa red velvet. Tamasha ba red velvet. All these kind of people they are there. Basadi ha ba le nahana le tlo breka ka dintho.
Okay, lebogang ka go lebogang. Hello lebogang.
If you want. Yeah, lingerie.
Lebogang. I'm Natalie Guy.
Lebza. Ya grot man. Go sa phomla wa ka.
Good evening, Pastor.
Sharp Lebza man. Sharp man.
I get sort of not so long ago. We're having a conversation with one of my female cousins, Baba. Dear Tabatabo, the relationship. Baba. Now, according to the way you look at it, someone's having a pause. You believe a horror. In order to attract a motor, it can be like a self-development.
Okay.
The aura that you carry should attract what you deserve in this life. So in most cases, our sisters know how to talk Jolo. They allow men to treat them the way you cannot convince a person, but you need to do it by action. Okay, listen, I'm about this life. If I'm about having certain goals achieved by myself, respect it. I need to respect that. All right, it's not competitive.
Lebogang. Okay, Lebogang, now, are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Are you in a relationship?
A serious one, yes.
After powerful advice or feeling your marriage, how far are you willing to go when for relationship how it were relationshiping
to another level? Yeah.
Yeah, marriage.
Number one, in terms of mere fact that I do have kids from outside wedlock, 2 boys. First things first, as a man, I'm not gonna compromise my kids ke tlo qala pele ke ya ho etsa trust e be le hona ke engaging into marriage. Reason being, right now we're good when it comes to pretending. The intentions about they're not as open as you all expect them to be. So safety about it clear pele. And then e be ba yena ha re kena ke se re entse deed of trust. I get lenyalo la rona le tlo go dumela go se ke se betlang go tswa tsatsing leo le yena go ya kwa ke se re tla se sheba. Mara tsa bana ba ka tsona hands off.
I understand that. Okay, that means when now you are telling me how far you are willing to go for your kids, because for your kids you are saying you would not jump into any woman pili before or another trust. I get, but I want to understand how far are you willing to go for yourself to get married. Now let's leave the kids out of this. For where now to get married, how far are you willing to go?
Now that we have 4 years in the bank dating, I'm not gonna propose getting engagement ring. No, I can propose it's a malele ngolo ka nka. Waton, since ke mo kopa tla ke tseba hore a ka pala kana go ngwana motho, and then me not using more than 5 years. Ke se ke bona hore motho intentions tsa ke enkan.
Ke kopa bot.
Waton.
Ke kopa bot.
4
years balata 5. Ke kopa bot Obona the lady as a potential wife. Not girlfriend, wife.
She is. I don't even have to think twice about it.
Then why Osamunyala in this 4 years?
I have my reasons.
Share them with us, please.
Ke example. Wa bona jana ka o ditse mo go November. Mo go November a ka nka stick sa mollo a se go ba se bega kamera that picture e le kamera lona e. Just to test or nang how clean do you clean accurately. Nga o ruta o phe go bolela go dijo tsa ka a ke di batle ka letswa ke batla o sebise beef.
Example Miskad. In this 4 years, lelata 5 again. Obile we said 5 years. In this 5 years, if you see her as a potential wife, why Osamunyala?
Because there are certain things since I never do the phaser in terms of influence, because women are easily influenced than men.
How are you born in this 5 years?
Not that I got born. Ne? Tadin to. Of I'm to chance or I'm another platform or na. Why are you submitting to 1, 2, 3? Whereas already no so te ba kata ga dichi. Wa bon. And the monna say na aita ngai ba jwa. Au nkena nqeto. As a woman, I could apela how umotho mdimo umotho. You understand? Decision tsa udinkela we na dietsa wena o be happy. Ke re satisfy my good as an individual. Italwe. Utape. Italwe let's go. Italwe. Chill.
5 years. 5 years. No. No, Lebra. No.
Sister. Patience na.
Na ke go botsa potso. Lebza na ke go botsa potso one. If the lady aka ratana.
Okay, Mudo.
If aka fitla stage sa ora ratana ba tle motho o mong ya ka monyalang. O tlo mo judge?
No, clearly I wasn't enough for you.
No, why are you
So she must do what makes her happy.
why are you two enough for 5 years if you're not enough?
To begin with, ne? Who doing her hiding? I might not know her intentions. Go fella kapitla. Or when have we certain things hide we in nakir? They are meant for you. Na mama hai kapali na sister wa hai ko. Okay.
How do you way?
So highly John, not saying hore communication is better or anything. But when I'm interested in say okay, you want to November. When I'm interested in what sister pela. You understand? So it's still a procedure, whereas cake, yeah, this thing, yeah, lenyalo. There's still few portions that I made it fill up. Sex is just a cherry on top. I know basically what I'm looking
Yo,
for.
Yeah, no, na lebza kibwa as a man tate. Kibwa man to man. How come mametse hanyane, ne? I don't think we can come out to the relationship. As much when in your mind, you know, okay, but for somebody, I don't see somebody okay
come out of
come
my
out
bed.
of my bed. And then one Obama, the black mentality. That is the black mentality. And go just nating that. Most ya bo black bobo bana baka batlile pele. Haba ba kotsi batho ba, because we always forget or bana ba batho. As today wena only boyfriend ya mama ya tshidi kapa ya mama. You once being a child to learn on but today baka batswadi ba hao. O ba tlwele tsuba sile. Today boyfriend ya somebody. Now, most of black people, we don't think about that. Or bana ba o re batlile pele. Le bona ba ntse ba tlo tlwela ba focus ba nne ba bona ba focus ba sadi ba bona. Because all of us, when you uhudisa ngwana moshimane, uhudisa monna motho re a tsamaya lo kopana le mosadi wa hae. When uhudisa ngwana wa ngwanana, uhudisa ngwana wa ngwanana hore a tsamaye a lo kopana le monna wa hae. Ene mohlanga lo kopana le monna hae o tlo lebana we. Where are our parents today? Re basile. Because now we focus on maphelo a rona, re focus on the girlfriend tsa rona, re focus on basadi ba rona. So, and that is why ke hlola nkere here is the problem. Anya le fe, le skela tsamaya. Le skela tsamaya.
Le skela tsamaya.
Le skela tsamaya. Ana ke tla second too. I get to buy second. Ntwani, twanti ke tse yo mma. Wabona ke hlola ke etsa example here. Yeah. Ke tlo etsa ke tsebe kgetla bokae. Mara ka dula ke etsa. Re na le circle number 1, re be le circle number 2, re be le circle number 3, re be le circle number 4. Now, the structure is operator. So, second number 1, it was supposed to be you and your partner. Second number 2 is itshwanela ibe bana. Second number 3, ibe in-laws family yabo banna le basadi. Second number 4, it was supposed to be our friends. That is why Linda Temudimo ya qadile lenyalo. O qadile ka Adama le Eva. There was no kids, no snabana. O qadile ka Adama le Eva. Bana ba phela ba le babedi fela. Now runa re etsa banna ba batho ba batho ba basadi ba batho ba batho. Second number 1 ke me and my kids. Mosadi ke mona. Ke second number 2. Re nka basadi ba rona re ba beya second number 2. Le basadi ba etsa jwalo ke me and my kids. And that is why both in me and my kids ba basadi ba yentse hore banna ba tsabo nyala basadi ba na le bana. Can I repeat that? Most of basadi babo me and my kids, all of them banna batsabe hunyala. We are so scared today to marry basadi banyati and eliruna, not because we don't have kids. We do have kids, but we are so much afraid to commit ourselves. Why? Because give me and my kids. Come on, someone when as a husband, you can't put
Sure.
Now, care opinion. Yabubedi, libanna babangata, basadi babangata today, they are so scared to commit themselves. Libanna bana lebasadi. I mean, bana lebana. Most of basadi batabo commit and
bana
lebana. You know why? Because of the same thing ya bana baka bakile.
My kids come first.
Well, but that is number 1. I don't want to be long, but if we can understand, wabana na na if ndatem di makampa musadi waka utlepe. And that thing, I'm not saying I will neglect Banabaka. I'm not going to do things for my kids. Mar oksala yo ba masaduaka utlile pele. Mar tatarbuaka yon. Kia pele. Then yabumedi kia you're not higher. I understand that one because nowadays the intentions about to get increases and the dangerous basadi ba bangata today le bana ba bangata bana le di wrong intention ha ba tla ka taba ya lenyalo. I understand when we etsa lenyalo la
as anti-nuptial
anti-nuptial ke lena la anti-nuptial le o le qala mo kopanela dintho ke a utlwa eo. I don't have any problem, but here's the problem. 5 years uphila le motho o mmona re see the potential. The question kuri yena o ready ha kae malinde.
Okay.
Because ka mo madi mabili nyalo le hope di le bga.
Okay.
That if I ready sonse emele le bga, but now kuri le bga yana is fa so ka ba ready. I etse John the lady.
Yeah, she's ready,
because ready
to be somebody's
to
wife.
Be somebody.
And then she is in a relationship le motho a sokang a ba ready. Now question kore ha tsa ye metso botile bo gang gore a be ready yena le ready.
I etse John because what if the lady yana is ready malinde?
Wow.
That's when now banna ba bangata tla utla motho no, and this thing le boganga yetsa yetsa le ke basadi. That is how tla utla motho no mosadi go un robile pelo wa upile robile le incident e tswana le yona ina mona utla motho no girlfriend ka robile pelo o kopane le this guy unkwe ke this guy. Can't you know sometimes we don't check the readiness. Guys, there are people who are ready, and we don't check that readiness. And mutia ready, so lanka kabali haka tola munyeka wa mutia ready, gone too soon. That's all. People just a petine. That's why we go gone too soon.
Fast.
Kine kinyali na my girlfriend ali pregnant. Every day, baby, and I'm willing to marry you. Kibaka unyal and sugudisa. Kabaka misa habona kano mukupa habona kibaka unyala mutuna and sugudis kamujosa baby ready for nyam. And kibana wana and sugudisa. What's my carry? I don't know how to mutu. Ukana nyala, I don't mind. Musani ki tola mutu kayetsa gone too soon.
I think I would live around one feeling. Thank you. Oh, but you hang. I hope you learn that you good, sir. Are you good?
Network
Kinana network musukudisa. Harry Fitelo ho.
What request?
What request?
Nothing major. But hey, that will be sorted out.
Askis?
Let's request apete.
Okay. Rosemary, hello.
Wabana guys, keep it happy. There's a difference between Mutiara and ready lesson rate.
Yo, how Rosemary? Hello, Rosemary.
Good evening. I don't know if you can hear me.
Yes,
Rauka, how are you?
I'm well, thank you. Tate November, hello, Silike.
Thank you, Lavi.
Thank you. Excuse me, I have a bit of flu, so voice like I might sound a little funny. Hey, let me get straight to the point.
I was only 2K.
Rosemary.
Yeah?
Only 2 tower.
Only 2 tower.
No, I'm not.
What's a my guy? Ka 80.
Oh, I'm 34.
He markaroli 2 tower.
O chere Alice ya bona la o bua nka go bua. Matuta ana le tseleba o ba utlwang ka yona ba bua ya.
Only 2 tower. 134.
No, I'm 34. So I'll just get straight to the point. I'm going to share about 2 things with regards to today's topic.
Okay.
The first one is the fact that a lot of times we have, especially as women, like from like the perspective of women or the like women's point of view. I feel like a lot of times when it comes to marriage or wanting marriage or needing to get into like marriage, we lack the capacity for what we are wanting. We lack the preparedness for what we are wanting, which is marriage. We do not prepare ourselves in time before entering into marriage. Because I always say being a wife is a character, it's not a title. Being a husband is a character, it is not a title. And these are characters that you have to develop before you even meet the person you are wanting to marry. So a lot of times we want to enter into marriages, we want to enter into unions, lacking the capacity and also lacking the tools to build when you enter into this marriage. You do not have the tools, you do not have the capacity for that which you are praying for. So I feel like that is our downfall. A lot of times, both men and women, lacking the capacity for what we are wanting, lacking the necessary tools for like building what we want with the people that we want to marry. The second thing that I want to share, a very common character in the Bible. This is now going to the question, how far are you willing to go in order for you to eventually get married to the person that you want to get married to? Let's take an example at the book of Ruth and look at Ruth and Naomi. After the husband dies, right? Obviously, Naomi, and like, she's like, no, I do not want to stay behind. I'm going to go with you. My people are going to be, your people are going to be my people. And like, your God is going to be my God, right? So she lives with her and they get back home to Naomi's hometown. And when she gets there, she meets Boaz. And she does exactly what she's supposed to do in order for her to eventually get Boaz. She lays herself and her life before Boaz because she understood what it took or what it was going to take for her to ultimately get Boaz. Boaz was a man of dignity. Boaz was a man of dignity. Boaz almost each and every single girl or woman in his town. And Fisher Ruth. And she understood the assignment. She was willing to do whatever that it took in order for her to eventually get Boaz. Now, there were many women working in the field, Boaz. Boaz each and every single time. But ultimately, I Fisher Ruth. And she was able to immediately, Boaz had Fisher. Who is that woman? Those workers in the field with that woman. But there were plenty of women. But there was just something about Ruth. So how far are you willing to go?
Yes.
That shit. Yeah. So that is why I was making an example of Ruth, which was willing to
go here, Naja.
Hey, powerful advice.
Go here, Naja.
Powerful sermon. Thank you. Now when Rosemary, how far are you willing to go?
I'm willing to like go as far as I have to go in order for me to get what I want, because I know the benefit of covering. I know what marriage brings for me, the covering that it brings for me as a woman. So I'm willing to do whatever is scripturally necessary in order for me to get the marriage.
Now, when it's not...
Why 34?
Yes. Yes. Why Osoka oba msadi wa mutu now? Only powerful so.
I'm just waiting. I'm not in a hurry. I'm waiting for like the right person because I know that I have the capacity. I have the preparedness. I'm well prepared. It's the rightful time that I should meet my partner. So I'm not in a hurry. Yes, I'm desperate. Because people have a different understanding of what being desperate for marriage is. But is something negative and it's not. But I'm going to allow him to explain it because he said he's going to explain it. So now I'm just waiting for whom I feel is my one. That's why I'm...
Now, how so when?
I want not necessarily say you jola. He's meeting Mutunyana and then just realizing like, this is not gonna be for me, and then
So ukopani le batho and then you realized later or they are not for you.
not even later or like almost immediately, because when you know who you are, you do not waste time. When you know who you are, how do you are immediately gonna recognize
There is something. Hey, kill it 2000. Okay. I'm gonna clock it.
You are very 150% right.
Yeah.
You know, when Lebogang o commentile mona. Aleboa. Sorry guys, Lebogang commentile Aleboa. I really don't understand exactly. Thank you so much, Lebza. You know, I think but that's when Bankang Hore Runar Bapala Kabasat. Linakiwala we are not this late.
First time it's not for me, you go. Okay.
Once you know exactly into a batlang, umamela motela bua, umutwa le handle le koka, se fapang ke mutwa handle, and I understand why it have a problem somewhere somehow for her anyar. It takes crazy and that them kopana le batho ba ready guys matsatsing a. Ke go ba ipita ho nka mo ha wa ntate modimo kopana le batho ba ready matsatsing a. Qetile ho nka mo ha wa ntate modimo ho kopana le banna ba ready for commitment kapa ba ready, because most about today just have the thoughts ya lenyalo but they are not ready. Mamedi di point tsa ngwana that this lady o bua ntho ka lang ke bua kere ha hona teacher e bang teacher mohlanga rutang. You become a teacher before u ruta school.
Yeah.
You go to university, u prepare u ba ready for school so lo ruta ngo sona. If you no qala school ngo bo ruta e bile ona ba teacher. U buela dintho tse very powerful. I respect you swaka. O dula le Lesotho.
and but originally ke hlale Lesotho, but khale ke tlile ka mona ke le monyane, so I'm a citizen ya Manana.
We are mona South Africa okay.
Bloemfontein tate.
Hayi go to swaka. Mo go tsele ke na qetile.
Ke felletse.
Go take pelare.
How long was your longest relationship? Yes.
3 months, really. Not long.
Okay. You said when everything, if it's scriptured, then you are willing to go far. Now, questioning when it comes to marriage, not everything, not every expectation, ya monna itlabe scriptured. Now, are you also willing to submit or to go further or to understand and meet the person halfway if it's not Bible related?
What can you please give an example also, Slike? Yeah, what's not Bible related? I should answer you properly.
Okay, let's say
Rosemary.
Yes. Let's say motu ubua ka your habits. Ne? I don't like the habit so change your habit. Are you willing to change for your husband? For dintho tse atlabang le problem ka tsona?
I am, because at the end of the day, it goes back to scripture. It goes back to Galatians 5. It talks about the fruit of the Spirit. Habits form part of the fruit of the Spirit, if you essentially think about it. So, I mean, if somebody loves you, let's say I want to get married, I want a husband, and this man comes to me and tells me that I want to get married to you. I want us to get married, but I've recognized X, Y, and Z. So because I want to get married to this man, I'm going to have to understand and hear what he's saying. and do exactly that, because at the end of the day, I'm the one that wants to get married to him. So why am I gonna be stubborn and be like, no, I don't care? If Nakata, I want to get married to him, I'm gonna have to change. Yeah.
Amen, Kulonda.
Why that lady willing? Why Ubali pride for something like that? I'm ready for the pride, especially for Tarata.
Sure.
I was me. Unalibana.
And not yet.
Why?
I want to have kids within the confines of marriage, because I feel like there's so much stability when you have kids in marriage. Yeah.
All right. Rosie.
You feel 8. No, but also I respect you if I can be honest. I respect you so much. Ke hlola ke ruta ka ntena ke o tla ntate moruti ke e umme. Ke hlola ke re wena Rose, ke ma Rosemary. Ke hlola ke re 3 things so di ka etsa gore re thole manyalo re nyale re sa sokole. Number 1 is when mutana the teachable spirit. And I go mamet you do have a teachable spirit. Number 2, mutia willingness go just net ya bobedi change if but value willing bali ready for change but baganyalo. I respect also and that more bless.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sisleke.
Thank you very much, sweetheart. Thank you.
Hi, Fleke.
Zakele. Rosemary. Oh, Rosemary. Hi, Rosemary.
I'm Samina Corona Flesh.
Sure. Hi.
Okay, Murut, he was submitted and the interview seems to have
gone well.
Luna.
Come on, don't let change. Zakele.
Dumela le kae mmele ntate?
Re tele kae ntate?
Le kae?
Le teng. Ke na le watsa ena ba ausi Rosemary o tsamaile ka pele.
Okay. O tla khutla, o na le potso for yena, o ka botsa.
Ne ke tshwe o tsamaile ka pele ka lebaka la hore I heard you work in before you get into engagement of matrimonial relationship that lead to marriage or courtship, you need to be capacitated. And Rabbi got the spirit of qualities, then it's good. But according to the way the social dynamics tsa life e re phelang ho tsona di dikateng e bona le mathata a mangata. Why ke tso jwalo ke bua ka mathata a mangata? For example, re tloile nakong ya gale mo lo reng ngwanana o na beiwa fatshe a bontshe mabaka ebile a rutwa ke batho ba baholo. Hobane le Bibeleng e re mosadi a moholo tlameha rute a monyane hore molekane hlokomelwa jwang. So, party so when I was checking the stats on South African divorce stats in numbers, it's very high. It's very, very, very high. So, but ba nyetseng ona tjena ba tlile manyalong a ke nahana na le batho ba batlang go tlela ka ntle
Zakele. Okay, Miss God. Ke kopa ke go hopotse topic ya rona ne, because now e ka re o wa tswanyana topic now ke batle go utlwele bebe na kotele topic ke ya rona today inele hore wena as Zakele, if you are in a relationship, how far are you willing to go for your relationship or it go from being a relationship e leveleng ya lenyalo? Now if o le lenyalong, how far are you willing to go hore wena lenyalo la hae le be good le be sharp le be monate? Now batho ba nentse ba kena and telling us how far they are willing to go, like Rosemary we stateile o kene a bua ka yena and we are not generalizing here. How can I go relationship in and this is how far I'm willing to go.
Nakana negative relationship ki tswile ka lebaka la hore ke thola batho ba ha kgone share di sentiments. We are not, we can have the same character, but the sentiments it's more than problem. How whole more get to Lambata. Get to the banal sentiments. It is for that
sentiments again.
Because
so that everybody I understand. In a way that people would understand.
Kura ha bua ka di sentiments ke bua ka ntho ka di kgolo tse loreng bonyaneng le boholo ke phile vela ho tsona the principles that drive us as a human being, where even it creates sometimes the values tsa hao o le motho ka tsela e tjena ke believer na ke believer ho education ke re mosadi ka me a ikemele a nyale le nna ke ikemele ha ke monyala ke mthola ana le something basically on information ya school.
Okay.
So batho ba hona tje re na le this on o re ka re banna ba ka rona banna ka re kolota banana ba hona tje ka re ba kolota. I'm very worried ha o kopana le motho a ba o jwetsa ka hore ona le girlfriend allowance jwale nna e ba mathatanyana ke tlo nyala jwang ha o so qala o ba le spending tse lo re ke di save hore wena go keep. So abana readiness bananeng ba bona tjena they are very few banana ba na le readiness.
All right.
Readiness abana yona.
Clock it. Now, can I ask you something? Now that you have met with people by they don't believe in this thing that you and now you believe in education and other things. Now tell me, how far are you willing to go? Because at the end of the day, you still need to get married. Now, how far are you willing to go so that you get married one day? Because I see everybody but more education in, like you are saying. Now we're now willing to go how far?
Naki kupa wata ubane lenyalo le lanhlola. I kina hano nka Peter ke ulona ubane unless ke thola motho a well guided, because ona tjena hopola ke tlo tla le bana ba ka le la tle le bana ba hae. So and the age le ona se phahame, so I'm willing to fa motho a willing for life a chance. Motho asa believe in life. E o thata mo overtela change into batlang, because people ba believe we yona nthola ya hore bana ba ka batla pele. So ha o tlonka bo dipension bo all incentives so na dintsona to di sela bana ba monno ke mo lo dynamic ide. So okay. I'm very scared. Ke rata ka re na hanka thola motho a understandang what is the purpose of life. Obani yena ile motho a le lefatsheng. Obani batho haba teng o etsa dintho ka tsela ya right. Mtha tsala bana is almost changing o prioritize dintho tsa hae batho baneng ba hae. Le life ya tla shebe street asa sheba ka tsela ya hore ka ma challenge life o challenge eng hore yena a shebane le bana ba. So ha nka thola motho e mona sa kele re na le bana o na le ka ke re na le two a re na le two. Okay, a re lo aela bana ba rona ntlo kae kapo rona re lo dulang kae bana ba rona se ba le ba ho sia o bana mona le na tsie bana bona, and then let us start something else fresh.
Zakele, you have not yet answered me hore wena. Now o bua ka hore if motho atla a le jwang wena. Now question is wena, how far are you willing to go? And or how ka kopana le motho o well guided? Who said wena you are well guided? Phone. If we were to meet now, if wena o re o batla motho o well guided, who said wena o well guided?
Okay, now I'm willing.
No, ne ke why bona these things di tsamaya. Now can you then tell us wena as Zakele? Now, if then it's sharp, right? But if one day you want to be somebody's wife, somebody's husband, how far are you willing to go?
Mare Zakele, somewhere can understand. Now you understand, you understand Zakele somewhere somehow. I think Zakele William Tom, Egifila More. Last time I get a radio Yamuto FM. I think Basadi by its relationship it be complicated. Banana. Le Basadi by its relationship even more complicated. Because whatever is Basadi by prioritize the Kokota nowadays. Kimana by prioritize the Kokota by yet I carry Kimana Batman and the Kokofita to abund that. So this thing here saying Ietara Zakele uri yena u haiba agathola mosegara nkela le bana le ba ithubi ana na bana ba ithuba willing to build uwili Zakele. But I think the njomo confusing the mentality of basadi ba mandona nowadays ya uri karo ibile ubile something are e ka re ba kolota basadi nowadays and again net today arena batho ba re gona go build le bona the only people ba re kopana le bona ke batho ba beile ditlhoko tsa bona ka pele.
Okay.
We don't have people who are willing to build. Few are the people like Mutile Zakela, Butata people are not willing to build. Matatina Babatang rescue, Babatang Kopana Limutu Tatilin, or Sansana the expectation, Liakai di Chong Sanso Patale Billy, Liakai Upatalam, Chongo Upatala or Ratana Lie. Come with you, Lena leading intention is on Yanana. Leno wale batla linyalo lena but wena jolo tshwantse go patale ntho ena wa tshwantse re patale but ka o fela bona re batla nna go utlwile Zakele. I think it's one of the things that feel gore basadi ba ichincha ba chinchile concept ya lenyalo and ba etsa lenyalo le be more difficult, and because today everything just to date we expensive matsatsing and how was about motho mo date le ena o batla le batla ntho e one wena le ena le batla lenyalo but date here expensive yo le busula falletsa hle Zakele na ka utlwa
but I'm still repeating what I said.
Zakele na ka
utlwa ka mutwa Zakele, but I'm still repeating what I said. Zakele has not answered. Before but yes, Zakele has not answered the question. Yes, Zakele ene a utlo nyala motho a tlang a liso. Yena es Zakele o wile mo etang a ke go utlwile Rosemary o buile jwa. Now Zakele ntate moruti as much as o understand, but if you were wena to talk on behalf of Zakele o re jwetsa gore Zakele willing to go how far for lenyalo o tlo re ke e
ma bo botse
tsa gore banyana batle ba le yang batle ba le well mannered batle ba le yang. I understand that and I support you on that, but now we utlwile that one it comes from e tlo tla le partner e tlang ke package o e batla but wena as Zakele but already anang le di expectations because already on the expectations. Now with those expectations, how far are you willing to go?
Now make ready. You ready? Khateti bile lo iphela khateti. Wa bona ebile a ke to jotsa ka role ya mme. A ke khateti lo bua le mabota mme. Ke khateti ke willing ho ya for motho a na le nkutlwe bohloko le nna ke mo fe kutlwe bohloko back rinkano because if ke tlo compare to this part ya hore ke batla mosadi a jo a no ke batla mosadi ana le mpilo entle o bane le nna ke na le pilo entle and a ke motho lo reng ke sfela pelwana. I'm always willing to give another second chance because I believe a person can reform, a really human being can reform, and I'm very strategic to that point where I can even see right.
Zakele, willing to change inga wena for the relationship ya umhla modima ka ufang yona.
Na inga change fela I1 in that the rest is perfect. wa bona nna gobane ke shatswa ke bodutu and then nako e nyane le kgolo ha ke thola chance ntate mogodi ke sene ke sembisi ke a inwella and if ke tlo thola motho a Zakhela o nwa haholo ibile motho a batla jwala bo tshwanela ko sa le something ntate mogodi ke willing to that party fail the rest ke shapa ke no bothata ntate.
Okay.
Ibile mona ke ready le motho lo sana ke hloko re nka re mo motho a moholo
Okay.
ya le ke dule 5 years le ngwana o mongwe a nka se etse ntwe
ha re tlwele ya 5 years as I can no ha re tlwela ke a leboga now ha re tlogelle Vanessa, hello, sweetheart.
Hi, who's on?
Who's up, Joan?
Ba bloqué l'original account. Mare backup again.
Okay.
I've got a question for Zakhele. Zakhele, how re banana ba no ba batla o ba fe tšhelete ba batla girlfriend allowance? I get what you're saying. But when how get a relationshiping, do you expect her to do dintho tse tlameleng di etswe ke motho o monyetseng? Things as ho robala le wena, ho hlatswa, ho kolomaka, all of those things. Is she also expected to do those things within the relationship?
Ke nana mme na ha ke kopana le motho a ke alawe motho to that point hore a save life yaka, a save the household yaka. I can do anything in my house. Even when you can kena ka tlung yaka kgona bona no. Even if motho a ona mothapela le mara motho o bua maka, but you till to get to the point. Yeah, I'm talking from till to the house. And I keep believing in that's why I can't do this one. Because I even went too far to body school. So I keep looking to and get it didn't. Get away pay like the shots or the can like get away chocomela as much as the way get about what I didn't talk at you. So if sometimes they share sentiments, we need to share in and point out risk abuse and everything is mutual. That's not my responsibility.
Okay. Tate Moruti wa bua Vanessa no bankanye ya gago ge. O ka bua ntate.
Zakhele. Na the point is answer o tsapile ke di utlwile na. Like I said to Rubanet, I understand your point because until o buile nga yona. I think it's 2 weeks or 2 weeks back. Difficult for Linyalo. It's more difficult because everything it's all about them. That is why the expectations I wanna get that is why today the relationships I wanna join. It would drain a relationship, but the same relationship, it's a relationship that can build when I but it's a relationship, it will be more difficult, guys. To an extent, but like I said, the relationship, quite not something expensive it is. Moto expecting so much from the relationship. Ever you are in
from yona.
Now, say let's focus away not to the marriage.
Yeah.
All over time. I don't go.
Yes.
I don't go.
Because Hakikena, as much as I'd be saying Kibatalinyalo, but I made the relationship to be all about me.
All about you.
Now, ona le hore re sebeletse ho ya lenyalo na ho sebetsana le nna.
Zakhela chong are ekare ya lokolota basadi. Wa bona ekare ya lokolota everything kilona, the gift kilona, restaurant kilona, in just to check a moto kilona, we expensive just to join, just to lo mo check, just to etsa eng o kopana le motho everything if e a change e bantho ya lona se le etsa lo ya lona jwale a ke tsebe ke ka sense le a wa ba sa di ba etsa jwale matsatsing everything it's all about them ke bua pela ntate modimo and another kele ke utlwile hantla hore ba sa di ba etsa ka re ba kolota because le date hona jwale very expensive just to kopana le motho who expensive you so tseba hore ke tshwantse ke lo patala o tshwantse just to kopana des hona le di gift hona le eng and kana go tseo both of you le batho ba la le kopantse ke le ba ka builder now basadi ba etsa jwang ba bella taba ya lenyalo kapa ya builder aside o focus ho yena na
okay
mara te mo ke kutlwa e tlhoka ta ena le engwe tlhoka o thola gore o kopana le motho a ba rona e mona gola ka kgwedi ka because they are the woman they catch the level thola go dlalla leveleng ya batho ba le ba batle and ba hlapang hantle a ba rona o ka 75,000 okay ke tla no fa ka go sure ke tlo fa 10,000
no so buile ke go ba re kwa it's all about ntho za khela ibwa e gotla yona ntweng na bona ntho tsa ba ka yona but now the only thing ne ke batlang we bua ka Zakhele you le a problem on the side la Zakhele once o ka qala o re wena you are good ka dintho tsohle we force it because bo good ba how Zakhele bo kana ba good for wena but bo se good for motho o mong number 2 o ka ba good to tshidi mare ntona le good ka tsona ha o fita ho nna be ke ba le bo good ba ka bo ke bo batlang bo good bo tshwana le love language nka ratana le seleke ba rata love language ya malomo ya di in be ke ya ho tampana ha ke fita ho tampana tampana ba sena taba le malomo yena ba batla eng that affirmation affection ababatla affection so you cannot say you are good when uli motho bo rona nna ke right because that mentality of rip to rona re good kona o yetsang hore and then
ha mo haufi motho
ke bo good bona ba yetsang hore ha re kopana le batho ha re ba tlo tshintsa to feed and lo tshintsa hore o tshintse dintho tse ba tlwang ke motho ena because of the mindset ya hore wena you are perfect so you don't see anything wrong and that is why when motho wa mara don't like 1 2 3 o feel offended you don't understand or this person or him because in your mind when our intuitor o motho right but if we can understand hore ha ke tloa ho Seleke ke lo ratana le Vanessa ke lo kopana le Vanessa not Seleke if Seleke ana ke ne ke le good to Seleke ha o bolelo ra fihla Vanessa ke lo ba that good person hona le dintho tso Vanessa tlompona nke se good ho tsona and Seleke ana na sena problem ka tsona so Vanessa not to di batlang so the only thing you want to implement you are not good until you are good to the person you kopane le
sure
ke go ba Peter you are not good until you are good to the person you're going.
It makes
no one need we some we lose some repackage
thank you
I sorry for that and I know that is true is a fact as a human being you can't have all the necessary positions of qualities and so forth. Then that's good.
Thank you.
Ntate Moruti, ke na le bothata ba hore ga dumela I'm willing to go through courtship through marriage. I'm very willing and what's another Ntate Moruti ke willing even cause cheleta is not and something that it's an no but ke ba le bothata ba chelete ha bo tlo sejediso ka tsela ya one part interest ke mo ke ba le bothata teng batho ba bonne kopa ba nthole mo ha ke be le bothata ba sebedisa chelete ba bileng Bible e re monna tlameha ke sebetse o fe khathi umfe yaka from umfeng yaka tlameha ke hlaloso o mfileng yona ke lo etsa iskaba the winner takes all. So this modern days it's a winner takes all. That's where my problem comes. But the winners takes all. Ke ona problem. Ke tsama o tsa itlhoko o sebetsa ha o tsama strategy boka ga o sebetse o hlelwa lo itekela bogo be ka re ha wa adoptive wa tsa itlhoko jwa and itlhoko e lo re hape ha o wa sheba re ba shima ha ke kena ha ke batla go bona something entle wa nna le nna ha kena ha mazakelo no le better no gona o ketsetsa 1 2 3 o di 1 ma sisters yena ke re mona sisters ntho mo lengwe a ithola jwanza ke le mo go ila e fedile o bula sna chelete but chelete ya ka tlung but when ha ke shebala ke sha ka ntle ha ke shebale ke le brand SA a provider. That's the problem ke la leng yo
nna ku tlile Zakhele and batho ba bana ba sa understand mara nna ke le ka understand mara no ke I think I'm understand yeah
no thank you so much Abuti Zakhele.
Ya le bo hlenne thank you
yeah Veni
Dumelang hape.
hamonate
Tata moruti wa just bitsisa minti ya nna ke kene.
batho ba ditaba re refresh hle mona yo you have refresh
There's something e ke le ka yo rutwa ke motho a na le in marriage for over 50 years. Ne? Ke ragadi wa mme wa ka ke nkgono ho nna ke mitsa nkgono ragadi. Mme ona na ha hlalosa courtship ka nako ya bona and how you can integrate that maphelong a rona ka jeno. It made perfect sense. One of the things that she highlighted is that re tatela dintho tse re tlamehileng re tatelle ka tsona. I hlalosa taba hore you get into a relationship, you become intimate before you even know who you are getting intimate with. Ha o tsebo ke la tseke kae, ha o tsebo o kgolwa ho eng, ha o tsebo re ka ba bo ba loya ka bo ba etsa o sole ka nqane wena mathanga ke yana a hlano. And that's where the problem comes in, because now re ntse dintho re sa ka ra fitlhela re sa ka ra tsama di steps re tlameleng re di tsamaye fitlhela re fitla to that point. At the time I was dating someone and she was saying udula kae, and I explained udula kae, and she says, but why do you need to sleep there? Why does he need to sleep at your place? Why is that? Why must you live like a couple? Because now you're saying why live a couple then I didn't understand it because they get head over heels. But after the relationship was gone, that's when I understood, oh, okay, so this is what Nkhono was talking about. You understand? People will want your money because luena o batlile ntho o no tlamehile a o fe yona ha o so o mo entse mosadi. So already you went, there's nothing more private than a person's private.
Veni
Manas ke kopa o kenya switch ko attack
so much Vanessa, topic ya today love story. How far are you willing to go for a relationship? How to a relationship in lenyalo? Cause katsiba ya hawanyalo nka so botse ka ya lenyalo. How far are you willing to go? Re jetse ka mora advice e matla. Thank you so much. Re jetse love work.
Now I want things old fashioned. Let's go slow and do things properly, because umisa the steps because we're not allowing ourselves to mirror each other. If we cannot mirror each other, then we can't go anywhere.
Vanessa, no, Janana, let's say you are in a relationship.
I'm listening.
And I go back on your.
Can I not answer that but complete?
Okay. That's about Batlonya. How far?
How spiritual?
Raibono Batlalia. How far are you willing to go? Because right now, or relationship you to go, or relationship it to leveling your relationship, yelling yellow.
Silike.
Straight to the point.
It's not straight to the point, right? The fact that I need to change myself, and the fact that my partner needs to change himself for me, it means we are not compatible enough. So in terms of far, I am willing to wait for a person. This is Vanessa. Or Vanessa or this is Banbani, and this is what we are doing to make this a union. But I am not willing to compromise my morals. I'll tell you what I'm not willing to do. I'm not willing to compromise my morals.
Willing to do. Gogo West,
you are my favorite person.
So,
Vanessa Gogo West,
and I can't get it. Ke batla ho ya di-event the last time you went on an event somewhere, I really want to go attend that event. Gogo West Tembu, I'm your favorite person. I'm your biggest follower. You are my role model.
I believe in what you do.
I believe you what in everything you do. I don't just pass your
life
videos. I like sometimes I get the ball, but the videos are high. Kid shebe like how fair. Go on,
how far?
Little how so you don't in when.
I am willing.
Luna, Vanessa, Luna Solanka, Lena Hanang Hor, Little Tola, the ready made it abana, Little Panya, Lily Bang. Kita reckon the remote to Banabaka Lishebele, PEF 157, Lishebele, you promised to marry me. I'm telling you. What's more why you chose all of Vanessa? What's about we like any value star? I read you before Mara.
There's that Bua Mescat.
Kere ntho ena ntho e ke sa kgonang ho etsa ko ho compromise nna and my standards, right? So that ke kgone ho khotsofatsa motho a sa ikemisetsang ho compromise his own. Yo batho buta bele mo butere ke khutle ke attend motho ne ke
ma attend ke re go the standards tse ke dife.
Anel. Hello Anel.
Hello.
How are you?
You are fine.
Yeah. And the voice here how? The guy also. And then in the secret mudimu pilolo. And the secret mudimu arabile tapelo sak. So they give you low holo never trouble. I make it no. Kiriyo. That mudimu. Koribona when I came to Aitan Bonto, I came to Aitan the table. When I make it great at the table. Right. And the Baba Dimate and the glue from my because straight. Unless I created some monalication. Oh, you are Mudimu Pillow.
Oh,
how to allow Mutagwambo English and almost like I'm going to like English or limit.
You don't so sharp at that follow.
There are striking a way to like language.
Yo,
so who? I'll almost like I'm going to live.
Because I can't
let's leave it.
But I'm still angry. Let's leave it. It's okay. It's okay.
That is why my 2K. I was trying to go to the Dimboko don't get anything.
Oh, how about we English?
Baba wants to do toss. A little better strike and money. Casco, that and money.
No, never mind. Luna. Okay, I will. Let's leave it.
Look at Scotta. Little man got a bed. Yara liquid. Never suit. What did Juana live with Rosemary? We are Jack with Lake Room. One of us so till about trouble. I started dealing a little.
And I was again, let's fight.
Rosemary, hurry up so good is an next. Ubile straight to the point. A refat Caramo of Weddinka. Bonaba Soto. Nene Rebabutan Putu. I call
Zanze Abu, no good lawyer. How far you will?
Mama, Rosa will see you to remove. Nagisa, Coruno, Najuana life, once and in a hot, Najuana life. Ayo. No strike I got suit. I live it. No strike I got coat. I live it.
Oh, no, who you are. About my head, Leona, you.
Kian Mutare, you're not a boyfriend there, but I was striking 5 hours.
Hi, guys. Topic today, guys, but topic today, how far are you willing to go? What was your relationship we said to the next level? And then if you look at how far are you willing to go? Linyalo la hao libe happy, libe right, libe safe now. Harisa setse ka nako e telele people. Top likes kine ke kupile o request please. And now ribue and hi magama message o tshwana ntse ipona o hole. I show you.
Leno gona ntse ipona o hole.
Hi, I would click irrigation for guys, how far are you willing to go? Hoseiva lenyalo la hao le etsa hore le be monate kapa ho tlosa relationship ya hao relationshiping we is lenyalo. Now I think re tla fa banga ba show ne ke ka mo
are fe wena jwa ka itira go are fe wena. How far are you, Manaru?
Ya pele is to have a listening ear. Diskeda khadisadu.
Adu.
Da kheta di ba utlwa.
Le mamele why asonya. Le mamele.
Ene ha le tlo njacha ke re ne le dutse mo le sa request. Ha le tlo njacha to have a listening ear. Ne? Ya bobedi, a ke re kitse nna di sebetsa ka di choose da kgetha hore di batla ho mamela eng di It's not that ha di mamela.
Pele tlo bua ka wena, ha re bua ka mankino nkosi and then I'm in love with
a polygamist.
And you ha ke kgolwe ke
ho ke nna ke di bone request amela. Tsaka ha di juice go itatsa gago. Request
request ka ngwana rona ka boikokobetso bo boholo re ka para kwala late ka baka la hao fela ke na request
ya no ka engwe ya no
nonkosi wena dula mona
nonkosi butle re so re tabe so re le fatshe
ma nonkosi a sena ke le mapo wa ntho nonkosi
I am. Yes, polygamy.
Yes, man! Show your chinta.
Yes, girl! I'm bossy.
Hey, no, but le mamele. Ho kene basadi ba ka hara lefatshe la polygamy. le mameleng ha
Nonkosi butle pele
Your
Nonkosi
mental health is very much important.
Nonkosi ibambi mtasekhaya ene nonkosi akitsi why ro force kana why ro force kana ha re le life but re go tla wena ke batla re bue ka le ke di boni ena ya reng o rata polygamy ha e hlabose pele ke di boni ke di boni
ke di bone
Ka moruti.
re tele kae
Ke teng.
o rata polygamy
Hey. Ke qetetse ke ratile. Ne ke sa rata fela ke qetetse ke ratile.
maraba shakhanda
Ya
babaya
ka hore o mang?
thank you Jesus
Ya ka hore ke mang ebile.
hallelujah
so yo ha re ye girl
Wa tseba polygamy ya ka e qadile jwang? Polygamy ena ya ka ena. Ha ke qala. Ke monna e leng hore ke le ka utlwana le yana dilemong tsane tse fetileng ka kgola bo 2021. Ya ba ka baka la mosebetsi ra loser
Contact.
connection. Le mong se fetseng ha khutla. O khutla a re honna ausi o ntsong hopola ke re ntse ko hopola ntate o la fella kae le ga loser connection mind you hore abuti is a god fella go motho ona a khutlwe le mo tse hlano ka ofela ke yona a khutlang o khutlang pela tafoleng hore ausi I'm a polygamist, I'm a god fearing man fella I'm a polygamist o tlo khona na
Yeba. Ke nnete.
akuthule abutwa dikodu akuthule wa re disturb
Ambotsa ntate hore how far are you willing hore o kene stepeng sena o polena stepeng sena ke hloka mosadi a tshabang modimo ke hloka mosadi a sa shebanang le monate ya lefatshe a tlole jwala ka go konfenako hanyane fela ha ke khutla ke ga ke tla di khona a ga re ikane ka plus fahlo sa modimo ka re ke ikane a re ka qala ka tlameha hore ke ikane ka ikana plus fahlo sa modimo ga jwale ke tla botloela ke tla tlola ntho tse itseng Wala mohlaena ha ke nahana dikano tse ke di entseng nnete modimo ke a motshaba ha ke kgolo hore ke nna e leng hore ke mona ha ke kgolo ho hang fela ntho e ke ratang ke hore o tsohle re phela ka tlasa sefahleho sa modimo
jwale first wife e kae o kile wa kopana le yona
first wife e teng ke kile ka kopana le yena first wife ha ke utlwela ba le ba batla mosadi e la ba yena lo batla mosadi and then taba ya teng ka baka la hore ntate ke motho e leng hore o tshaba modimo ya ba mosadi o ha khone hore nna ke no khona tsohle tsena tse ntate tsa di batlang ha ke no di khona ka nnete jwale nna ha fihla ho nna ke le ka tlama ho ipeha hantle hore ka nnete sena ke seo se batlang nna
jana njetse kgaitsedi yaka le kopane jwa le first wife o ne introduce wa semolao le se le buisane e se le tsebahala hore
o teng
kapa le kopane jwa
ke le ga o lang introduce ntate o sebetsa China jwale o la tlameha hore a tle ka kwane hore re tlo kgona hore re kopane le mosadi
ya ba
re a kopana re beha letsatsi ne le February ka di2 le monsena ya ba ra kopana hore o tsebe hore nako e thu ke yona le jwale ho monate ra phedisana jwale tsohle di tlo etswa officially September ha ntate a khutla hape mara hosane the first wife o ya China wa palama hosane o ya China September ba khutla ho tlo lokiswa ya ka
Potsa ka Dilas. Ha o no kopa o lo inahana. O ila lo nahana eng? Because you were not ready for polygamy. Una le batho ba o buile during that time una o ila nahana eng? Una le batho ba o buile le bona ho etsa etseng hore o fihlele qeto eno ya hore o bo qeteletse o dumetse polygamy le ho etsa ona sa e batla.
Ya pele ke le ka founela Gogo West Temp. Ka founa.
Clock it.
Ka founela somebody o appealing polygamy. Wow. I respect you.
Ha botsa mang le mang.
Yeah.
Because ho tsa mo botsitse mang le mang ngabe ba itse o shebelle Jonas.
Eh.
Ho tsa mo botsitse mang le mang.
Ka ba o isitse
o Jonas. Ka ba itse shebelle Jonas. Lona le ka ba qeta o shebelle Jonas.
O ba sa batle
ka mono o sa batle ndoda ya China. Ka o hlompha ke ya pele. Clock it. A ke ba tobetse ka nanyaro. Ke betsa clock it. Ai o se ka o hlompha. Ya bobedi.
Sure.
Ya bobedi hona motseng mona mo ke dulang hona le mosadi e ke mo tsebang e leng hore o nyetswe Stepong. Jwale be ke ya ho yena ke lo botsa bophelo bona ba Step. Ore wa idumela kapa ha o idumele.
A go ntse dintho fela tse tharo tse o motivateileng dintho tse a di buileng. Tse o di hopolang.
Mamello. O la huta mamello hore ho tsena tsohle o be le mamello. O be le hlompho. Le lerato. O tlo ha wa tla ho eletsa.
Sure.
Jwale o ska ba wa ba mosadi le mo o tlo heletsa mo ho tsohle tse tsuwang mo o ahe mo le wena o ahe. O ska compete le mosadi ona.
Gogo West Temp yana o itseng ha o eletsa.
Lena o la bua mantswe a tshwanang lona anana. Lena tsena ntse re bua le yena hobane o ntsang kaida o tse ding tsa dintho.
Sure.
Au se jalo o kene Stepong.
Ke kene ntate.
Bo jwala o di tlwelletse.
Nka sa ke di tlwelletse hobane ha se o be le temptation for now. Ke bona mo ke ba le temptation. Mara ke tlwelletse.
No ke tlo fa Nonkosi ibile ena e ke wa Sithembu se kotsi ampe. Ke a o hlompha auswaka. But the only thing enga ibuang polygamy when u research ka yona it doesn't matter o ya batho ba ka ra yona ka pa but it's very dangerous to go to any person ya ka ra polygamy. It's ona polygamy ha ona mo fapaneng le lenyalo teng le ngutlwe ke tlo fa Nonkosi a khwapa ha ona polygamy ona mo fapaneng le monogamy teng. Ai next once you go ulo botsa batho ba ka ra monogamy batho ba ka ra lenyalo o bulo ba botsa ka lenyalo hona le batho ba ka ra lenyalo mara ba very negative for
yeah ba ka o tshabisa ka ba lenyalo
hona le batho ba very negative for lenyalo ba le ka ra lona. And the same way, hona le batho ba ka ra polygamy ba very negative. And you know why? Because most about they always paint people with the one same brush.
Yeah.
Bonga bantu repenta batho mothatswa elinyalo kapa a sotlwa ke monna o tla discourage batho ka lenyalo jo ska ba nyalo ke dutse fela mona eng because batho ba penta batho ka brush e one le polygamy I respect your ibe wila ikela who go was table or botsa go was table because if you butse bo palace bo pele nka bo khutile mono sa clinics o ja butse ba botofalax nka bo khutile mono o sa ba clinics o swaka. I respect you for that because today hona le batho ba botsang but o ka motho botsa basadi ba soka ba kena ka polygamy o lo motsa ka polygamy o lo botsa monna soka kena ka polygamy o lo motsa ka polygamy. And that is why today mostly about to they are so negative because they advice from people ba bitter ba angry. Nna ke respect o swaka modimo o bless hlokomela monna wa hao tsa mo iphilela monate because o ksalayo batho ba tlo o ka ra polygamy mara ha ba bone hore ha o ka ra polygamy fela batho ka ra lenyalo. You are no more a side chick, you are not going to be a side chick. Oksalayo ha basadi ba bua ka banna ba bona yo le wena tla bua ka monna wa hao ha o tla China o tla botsa maelena molong a o tsere ka letso fetila o swaka
sure
oh see
Hi.
skata ma no go see ke skata ma ausi are you going to go see
Le kae ntate?
re tele kae no go see
Mme le kae?
Re teng kae my sister?
No re teng le rona re phela.
go see kana wena na le le motse ka o le ka ra polygamy
No ke is it nka re 13 years. 13 years. Wow. Yeah, ke 13 years.
le ba kae
Re ba raro ntate.
Ha thule mamele.
I put mina ngomZulu ne, but I'm married to a Sotho guy ne. So ke asibua le Sotho le Setswana ke asibua ka
a Sotho guy ya polygamy kana no go see no you are the second
I'm the second. The first one is an advocate. The second one is a police officer. The third one is a nurse. Our husband is an accountant.
Mamela he le ntse le re polygamy
It's for people-
it's a group ba puo ba etsa mamela link it
no polygamy is for desperate people
Husband, the accountant. First wife is an advocate. Second wife is a police officer. Third wife is a nurse. And I can't fail a no, I cannot matter as a police officer. I consult my sister wife, who is an advocate. Or a can I cases so? You consult all of ha medical error 1, 2, 3. Nari can all the chances are is a case go court. Are yes, you do. Case go the first wife. First wife are another case in me. Gain.
oh my
Husband who deal like the finances. Kere papa ki yon tate ha ba tlo maintain ke etsa jwang a re consulta le mme motona. Mme motona re e kenye ku court mme. From there ngwana wa maintainiwa.
oh my
We are public servants. Rona re serve puso ntate whether la rata or le rate but we work together. Because mo lefatsheng ka se phelo le one.
no go
Otherwise, re tlo ba le bo Jonas. Re tlo ba le mathata a mangata. Wait, they've said hey, love is the most said word in the Bible. But in these past 2 days, Jonas has been the most said word in the world. Jonas, hey, I want to leave from the 12th of June until today. Leave la Jonas leave more than love in the Bible.
Because somebody will say na step is difficult for na when as number 2 ukgonne jwang ho accept oba number 2 and then we accept that jwang because most of the time abantu bazawuthi no you enter easy because when you were number 2 now when who clear number 3 but how did you manage to be number 2 and how did you felt when you saw number 3 waka?
I won't lie. The same way as the polygamist, the first wife, I felt the pain. the same way the second wife got the polygamist, I felt the pain. I double up. It's more or less the same. Okay, now you cannot with an intention the first wife is there, then I'll be the second wife. But not knowing and understanding to at the end of the day, umosadi at the end of the day. And you're not going to allow the third person to come in. Because you feel as this person again, okay na utlo khutlisa botlhoko. I can with the intention of number one, chance to understand or remember fitlhile no go so fitlhile. Ganti I get tsebe bothata bo the first wife a fitileng go bona. Ke tlo go feel ha the second wife again, the third wife again. Ha ona re ka se bo feel. Ha o le motho o tlo feta mo ene le nna ke ready gore ha the fourth wife ata ke tlo comfort the third wife for ha ngwanes ke bophelo ba rona re feta mo.
Sure.
But you're not Nkosi.
I think the environment e ke tswang mo yona. Nna I'm a Zulu person and ke godile e le hore ntate mogolo wa ka nana le Sthepu. So for now I felt gore I ke ntho tse ke di tlwaetseng ke tla fita and ke fitile mo tsona and ke godile mo tsona I would understand. Not understanding that I'm a woman. Not understanding that I'm a person. Well, this is, but I felt the pain. I don't think what number one felt the pain if it's as number two.
But how did you manage to overcome that pain?
Because she sat me down, that woman.
Number one.
Yeah. That woman sat me down and told me, I accepted you as number two. Whether you like it or not, you have to accept number three. My aunt told me, Papa, na basadi by 4. Number 1 fitlhile, number 2 fitlhile, number 3 a fitlha. Your grandmother was number 4. So as much as Luena how kena mo ntlong ele, you knew gore number 1 o teng. You have to accept gore number 3 o teng. Whether I like it or not, seeing your husband saying I do to another woman, it will hurt you. But you soldier on and you move on.
But
you accept it.
That pain was normal.
The most important thing that I can see is and ask Modimo for it. Ha number 3 a fitlha with an intention ya go aga. Go accept fela gore Modimo I accept gore monna ka o nkile the third wife. Unka the third wife. Mara ke kopa haibe the third wife watla. A fele intention ya go aga. Haibe mme mo baneng baka.
But that pain, we have fixed stage in sour ifele, le pile hantle, o le bale ka yona pain eo.
Le gono kopana di tswedi out le basadi fela.
You are just I feel you are just because hands le jutse le 3. You get to understand gore there are certain things that I cannot do to my husband when wife number 1 is there. There are certain things that I cannot do to my husband when wife number 3 is there. I have to respect these 2 women. The roles as these 2 women. So now I'm coming as the second wife. What is my role as the second wife? And ha ke tlile mo lelapeng le ke tlo etsang. And ke understand the role yaka. But the most important thing is to understand gore monna o a se bophelo baka. My husband is my priest. Ke a mo hlompha, ke a mo rata, ke a mo worship, and I worship my husband. My husband is my priest. My husband is the man gore ha ke na le bothata ke ya ko yena, ke kneel down and say, "Nrapedise ke na le bothata bo so." This man will speak life to my life, and I believe gore mantswe a hae sometimes and most times and most of the time ke ona mafoko a hae a nketsang gore ke be mo keleng teng today. It's understanding your position as a woman. I understand my position. And I believe the first wife, Liana, will understand the position ya hae. Le the way I tshwereng ka teng also le ke a mo hlompha. You can go to my socials. You'll never find my husband in my socials. You can go to my Facebook page. You can go to my TikTok page. You'll never see my husband. I ke phele bophelo ba ka through my husband. I live my life. But I know my position as the second wife.
Now, do you meet with other sister wives? Like Lily three fair. Kapa omlo mongwa ipile.
There are times whereby re kgona go tswa together. First wife a birthday ya, we understand gore o batla o etsang ka birthday ya hao. If yena le motho wa hae a bana plan, then I can say, I don't have the plans. I don't know, I can have the plans. Then I have plans for you. Then we can meet all three of us. I am a police officer. Whether I like it or not, I have to consult with these two women. Because Mosebetsi waka draws me closer to them to say, hey, OC, so I don't understand this term here, medical. How do I go about the third wife will come in and say 1, 2, 3. And if lawfully, when criminal law comes in, I have to consult with this one.
Okay.
And this one will direct me. So whether I like it or not, I have a relationship level. I don't know about them. But I have a relationship with them. And I'm happy because I can be able to call them whenever I don't know about them. But bona habam phonela, they say, so I'll be able to assist them. But I cannot talk for them. But I have a relationship with my sister wives. I'm happy with them, and I'm happy with my husband. My husband is my husband. Today, I don't have a man. I know
Sure.
but I don't know now. He will call me. He will talk to me. I will talk to him during the day. But it is 6 o'clock. I know I can't call him. And that is me. I respect because I know by 6 o'clock
Okay,
can still with the third wife or the first wife. But I don't have a problem with wife number 1 calling Abuele Monna Hai during my time. Because it might be important, it might be issues tabana, it might be issues the important is a family. Okay? But as a husband, o deala jwang le situation o araba jwang di calls tsa hae and o bua jwang le basadi ba hae. But nna ke basadi ba hae a se nna le stepong ke.
Sure.
I live my life, I go out, I do whatever, I drink, I come back home, and I make sure for whatever that I do, I know that I'm a reflection of my husband. So I get ya ko strateng ke lo nwa and then be ke tipa mo le mo fatshe batho ba nshebile it tlo affecta maphelo ba ka le ba monna ka le basadi ba hae. But nna ha ke phele le yena le basadi ba hae, but nna ke tlile ko yena ka lebaka la go aga mo lelapeng la Mokoena. That's all.
Nna ke na dipotso.
I know.
You know, ke bona batho ba ntse ba botsa, but I don't think ke di important.
No,
what to say? Ne ba hloka thuso.
No, ba bang ba botsa ka gore elena the setup ke jwang o molong ona le ntlo hae.
You know ha le kena ko stepong ntate November o ka se kene ko stepong o thola mosadi wa hao e le doctor ebe wena o tla le motho sa sebetseng ebe o mo kenya ko lapeng ebe o expecta gore doctor yena o tla etsa di needs tsa hae a etsa di needs tsa lelapa o utlwisisa ha o tla le mosadi wa hao you must be ready gore wena you're going to provide for all these 2 houses or 3 houses the best way you know how. Monna ke yena etsang step. Let me take you to the issue step se re tlwaetseng re se bonang ko TV sa You look at Makumalo. Makumalo is a provider. Mayeni Wasebisa is a government employee. Then we have the first wife, who's unemployed. Who's providing for this house?
Makumalo. Kapajima, Mseleko.
Kimseleko. Mara Hari Shebile, everything etlalima. Uskata kastepu with an intention saure musadi number mang will provide for house number 1 and 2. Re tlo qabana re le basadi. Empa how re phela ka pizza you want to say le basadi baka and I'm going to provide equally to you. Then let it be.
Now I'm going to ask you. Now I'm going to ask.
We all know hore mo lefatsheng are equal. La o ka rata jwang kapa jwang o le monna hore ke na le basadi ba bane ene ke tlo ba providela equally ene ke ba rata equally. It's impossible. I can tell you hore nna monna ka ha re rate ka o lekane.
Okay, na ke kopa botsa potso. No, ke tlo le araba. Nna ke tlo le bolela ditaba tsa lona. Le ba ntse ba re bona
ha bana o skgona ba batli.
Ke tlo ba bolela taba tsa bona. Because ba ntse ba kgona ho kena ka ra dithepo. Ba tseba sometimes tabusang. Ba tseba hantle. Ba ngena ba be ba tsebe hore banna ba bona bontate bana ba rata basadi ba bona. Exactly into buang is something that etsalang ka ra di relationship tsa bona le banna ba batho. Yes, you know exactly hore monna yo ratana le yena o rata mosadi wa hae. It's just that ka ba fika ntse tlo thetsa ntse re no nna le mosadi wa ka o yona happy re a lwana. But why are some divorce? Number 2, why are some tloela tle ho wena?
Sure. November. The most important thing is that we must know re le basadi gore monna o rata se a se bonang. Mosadi o rata se a se utlwang. Rona Mazulu o kila kwa bona kae monna a re o ngena basket ya ngele market. Ona lo ka kena ko market o sena basket. Ona no le stimula sa sezola ko zola na train.
No Nkosi, I want to come to these people bantu ba comment mona.
Because they commenting very negative.
Train ko jablane kwa.
Ke ba tla
so monna o gona go wa ketsa gore a thole se ya se batlang. Ene rona re le basadi re rata se re se utlwang.
Sure.
That is when I get nna ke lokisa basadi bana because of salary as we speak. Boyfriend like ba lwana le di girlfriend tse pedi. Automatically o tlo thola se ana o rata wena ho feta mara o ntse mo rata yana ka ba o rata ya no feta wena. But the only thing is allowed in a relationship mujolo o re fa choice ya o kgetha hore ke o mang.
Okay.
Mara lenyalo le o tlama hore o phele le bona. Mara relationship
yona you are forced to decide.
You can decide. That is why if wabona no ka ratana le if ke kopana le nomsa ke feel ke ratana nomsa ngotsofatsa and then there is nothing good kana wena ona progress direction na wena relationship yang allow we are unomsa and leave you.
Okay.
Wow. So these people ba re bona ba ka seloki bona ba ka seloki and then lento e buile because I understand hore but I understand hore polygamy no Nkosi e tshwana le manyalo hantle lenyalo le lona bemba lenyalo ke lona ba decide gore le batla le polygamy is the same thing guys but ba etsa ka polygamy is something there's something bad dangerous ka yona. Kino Nkosi ya decide.
We get a pattern ya hae ya lenyalo la
polygamy.
Yes. Jwalo ka nna nka nyalo be ke iketsetsa pattern, jwalo ka manga a ka nyalo. That is why a re nyena ha phone, not that there was a say o se ke wa phone.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, now she decided to write a phone, and her mind hantate a receiver call because yeah, we draw it.
Tlo di buele bana ba ikentse bohlalenyana bana ba ditsibolo. Mamela lona
Mamelemene.
Dula mona mamelemene. Le lona mamelemene.
Another thing gape ne e re sa ishebeng o ke la bona ha bophelo ba ha bo tsamaya hantle ha gona batho ba bangata or di relatives tse dingata tse tlang in your relationship o mo wena ka fela o feel gore nka re bana le jealous le wena ne but ha bophelo ba ha bo kopana e ba chaos fela e ba issue tsa gore o tlo kopana le di divorce and have you ever seen how many people who are flocking in your life to come up with the solution or batla le di advices? People are there. Ha mathata a go akametse. But when everything is amasentle, you will never see those people. So you have to make a choice mo bophelong ba hao gore do you want to go more? How many women ba nyetseng ba o ka yang ko bona? That's why I always say gore nna ha bana ba ke bashimane. I've got 3 boys. Ha ba nyala nna bana ba ke nna ke batla go ilaela basadi ba bona. Now I want to be part the group of women that are layang basadi because I want to tell basadi ba bana ba ka gore mo le fatseng modimo go file 2 choices, the good and the bad. You choose gore batla eng. No, I'm not going to tell you gore o ska etsa so ko lenyalong ifa monna kuku ska mofa o ska o etseng a di sebetse dilo tseo mara jwetsa ngwana gore o siwe motho o a se abutwa hao mo lifeng le tlo kopana le mathata a itseng le itseng ha o bona bothata boliso ngwana ka ha o kena mo lenyalong itholle neni o tlo tlhokomela ngwana itholle motho o tlo tlhatswa washing a clean mo ntlong because your mental health is very much important. A ke batle wena o shebane le ngwana ka gore wena o lotswile o tsamaile le ditšhomi tsa hao o lona bojala boys night out mara o sile nna le ngwana ntsalla the whole day nna ntse ke kula ke tshwere ke di period pain tshwantse ke tlhokomele ngwana. I don't want that for my bomakoti baka but ke batla bomakoti baka ba tsebe gore ha o kena mo lenyalong o se tšhelete ha e tlale batala motho o tlo tlhatsetsa washini a go ainele. Your mental health is very important. Highly weekend go na le zonke ko kai ko Pretoria. Tsamaya o lo sheba your favorite artist. Tlisa bana ko nna ke nna mfono wa bana.
Nonkosi. Nna ke kopa ho lokolla. Petile. Nanto tshaka? Nonkosi.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye bye.
Yeah, Nonkosi uqibile. Bye. Hayi ka ba robatla ntse tse ngata. Bye Nonkosi.
Bye.
Bye Nonkosi. Hayi iqedile. But before we talk
before
we talk o tlhapi ke batla o tla mamenemeneng ana ke batla o dilela le mo menaize menemene
batho ba rona
mamenemene ana so ha o ratana le monna wa motho o phela the same thing ya hore you don't just call and ba amohetsi everything only the relationship. Kapi ki to kwala mic ya ki to kwala mic. Kapi ki to theola kapi ya warasa butwa ka kele ka lo kwala mic wa ibula. Ki to kwala fapanda te kapi. Okay, thank you. Exactly, guys. Who ratana le motho
Anang le
motho it's a rehearsal step. It's a rehearsal step. O ratana le boyfriend ena le di girlfriend tse pedi. It's a rehearsal step. It's a rehearsal.
O jola le monna motho.
It's a rehearsal. And about they do exactly what Nonkosi do.
They don't just call.
They don't just call.
ha ba tsamaye
dimolong but yena ba happy ka yona no so nna ka se gone first step but
o jola le monna motho o ntse wena step wa se batle
o jola le monna motho or else o jola le boyfriend ena le girlfriend ya yona
o itseba
ene o boleletse gore no nna I see this girl can I need this girl but we have problems but ha le qetile wa bojola le a dumelana ha le qetile le rata iketsa bohlale batho ba dutseng di life mo
especially comment section
manenene absolutely because believe me on a serious note if we can be honest ha ona motho ka ntse gore most ya bona ba jola le banna ba batho ka ba jotse le banna ba batho number 2 o jotse le boyfriend nang le girlfriend number 3 is either jola le girlfriend o cheatile
wena first wife if o dumella motho wa hao o tseba o cheata ka lerato o bo sa molahle o sa qete relationship o first wife you are a good first wife clock it le wena go tlokela teng clock you are a very good first wife
if o jola le boyfriend
aba o cheat
o bo sa molahle
o bo tseba o bo tsore ene o tla tswa go le gape wena ba gate ka pagate a ba tsa tlompona o good first wife le lona ba ka ga manyalo ba ntse ba rena polygamy o bo tseba go monna hao o ntsa cheata o ntsa tla mo sileke o bore ke dutsela for the sake of the kids you are a good first
ya matswele ka hao o e beka ra wallet ya hao
lona ka le blella tshwara di phone ela le tle le bone le tlo agea no le tlo bona re ibile ya nonko se betere ka 3 o ka kire wena le bo ma 5 be le tlo ema mo le dira yo le sa khono ya dimolo le batho ba le jolang le bona
ke mang Rosemary o reng o tlo mo thola yo e tlo bang wa hao fela ke go ba pheta ntwengile nka le Rosemary ke mang
e ka le bana ba no ba 16 se ba jola le batho ba babedi bana ba no
Rosemary ke mang o reng o tlo mo thola wa hao fela wa tsona le ntho ba se ba sa itsebeng ya hore hona jwale bofebe ba no bo very very professional hona le basadi a ka ratana le monna hao for 10 years ababe monna hao ababe le bana mo maro sa tsibi
nix
ene monna hao a sa robale ka ntle ho sena mohlanga robalang ka ntle
a sa
kene bosiu because motsiare o ikela ho mosadiane ba etse everything aje a tla gotse wena o ntse re baby di phekele ntela ba re baby ke sharp a tle a gotse o jile kuku o jile dijo o yentse everything o yentse le bana
le wena ha ntse re how you don't feel like it aba re cause
then ha qetile ibile ha o le late ba robetse o le late maybe e ba bo 80 bo 9 nyatsi baby tsamaya ska fihla late e ka renka thola motho ya ka gona go ba honest ya ka re jwetsa gore yana o jwetse le monna motho for how long I want fela ya honest the truth
mara ba tlo tshaba I can keep all good people
Luna e ka re ka thola
dumela
Kapi
kena e re fe Kapi pele ka fa no o a dumelana le gona re ya itsala ntwe re bua
ke dumelana le lona ha mona tjwana
gele
le ngoposa ka nako tsa kgale le ngoposa ka tsa kgale tata November e le gore ntate o nyetse mo tlung mosadi o tlo itse gore ntate o na le bana ba ba kae ha sa tlhokafetse go
Motango ba di wa
so ke dumelana le lona ba ke mamenemene o tla ba nye
o tlo itse motango ba di wa
a married man mara a le in relationship with a married man
ore o thini e pede
ba rata bo fairy tale ha ba rate nnete batho
ba rata bo ka nnete ba rata go feriteli sefapano bua nnete yo
jole ka Facebook ho na le motho a ipaka ntle Mamollo ana ha o khone kena ka TikTok hle o request a re ke nna yeno ka ipaka
Kapi re tlo kenya a re nke ke prophet bona e bo tlo re batho modimo
me butlo go yeno ka ga step ha se step un ga fita a sa buka step
but ke mang
ki si o ngwetse fela
si arna te prophet Kapi
prophet le kae
re tele ka nda toka
yes doctor le kae
re tele kae Kapi
re teng prophet male ke se bana ke sa o bone man
nda toka hle
or motho mongwe ke na le bothata ba network ga ke itse ga ke utlwa le sentle
network ya is bad
doctor
it's bad network ya ga o wanda
ke ne ke ra le utlwa kala sentle or motho mo ke thibelwa ke network
ke kopa o request hape ke kopa o request a re motlang o no reng
si Hello wena
ke re le nna network ke ntse teka mare ke a leboga gore ka utlwa ga
wa utlwa ga
to November ke re batho ba you know it's funny how ladies are na ha ke no etsang marunta date na le married men date a married man or on a multiple partners mara ha ba tlo go tsena mo stembu guys
when I get ka tsena mo stembu
mar mamel
and obviously sexy I don't know they won't come out ba le gore o ba batla they won't come out
mar si o bua net hona le batho ba ntseng ba data multiple couples ke re o bua net hona le batho ba ntseng ba data multiple couples o re tole ke mosadi na le di boyfriend tse pedi ka tse tharo le yana tsa shapa ya nya bona le bana ba o tole o ka ra relationship ya batho ba na le batho ba raro o ka ra boyfriend na le batho ba raro ai guys lona yo
ha go tlo prophet re nga tlo khutlela mo wena si prophet
dokotela le kae
re tele
kae
no re tenka mo ha dokotela do tsengata ke gore mo Africa they were allowed before ma really ra copy as western ba golo ba khale bana ba itse gore wa manyala bone ala lasta for example o ka itlhela le gore re o sile mme mahae o sebetsa for example Rustenburg mme wa itse gore ko Rustenburg ga mongwe o na le mothusi wa gagwe number 2 kampo ene re o ntse a sebetsa Rustenburg a tle gae mme wa gala la itse gore no man re a tla potele ka mo next door that's one bona manyala a gale ana khona go lasta the problem e dira gore matsatsing yana o itlhela re batho ga ba khone go approve taba ya step re copy dio tsa se western ha re batla go copy ntho tsa South Africa that is the biggest mistake ha modimo a bona gore Abraham o na le bothata modimo a morare le latakile because a itse gore Abraham o concern o batla ngwana ba re modimo a re le latakile gore moloko o khone go ata because of modimo na tlhaloganya gore no monna ke monna wa go dula ntse le monna so now from my personal experience polygamy se bothata ke ra re batho ba rona re tshaba gore batho ba tare mara se ntho le gore modimo ka tsana le problem ka yona thank
you very very much prophet Kapi
Let's in a row. Let's go for a third one.
Kapi Kapi network ya Kapi ya sukudisi sile ke a re kwa le ngwaneso le topic se change
mara e kwetse ke nana e entse ka e kwetse right wa bona batho ba bangata
nto Rosemary request Rosemary khutla
Hutla wena on a road clock.
Hutla wena le retsa ebile se ke etsa withdraw of my clock card.
We are withdrawing our clock.
Rosemary hutla request ke o batla mo.
Hey, Haretleng. Rosemary, come back. I can no request a Rosemary.
Go se bitiampe ka English ene hai. Hutla Rosemary tlo jetsa hore ha gare o kena ka istepu.
Ona khouti.
Ona khouti. Ra gare problem ya raga ya gare. Ke re fela o ile a batla Pamela Sara.
Pamela first wife. Ha. When we quote, let's quote to understand, not always. When we
guys, it will take just the grace and that yes, there are men who are not cheating. I get it.
Maybe out of 100%, take 0.1%.
Because sometimes, hona le banna ba sa cheating, bana le mabaka ama. And one of the things you guys about banna ba ska ba cheata engwe ke ntho. O tsa tšhelete e limita matla monna. Le freedom ya monna. Hona le banna ba o kana hanang hore ke goed konyana. Kanti o tswe fela gore hana tšhelete. Ke bua pela ntate Modimbo.
Cause mojolo lona selfa ke go turo.
Hona le banna ba o kana lona ba bang e kana bo ituletse le skepsele sena sa monna se thijwang ke di resource hore a ska nyana.
Ha resourceful.
But we can see.
Mohlang a thola di resource.
Luna.
Sure. Mariki need.
Tell Banne. Power. Banne. You know why? Because Banna. Kau fela monna na le power ya na le tšhelete le lona. Le hana le tseba hore o nyetswe ke mang le a ba batla. Le ba batla kau fela. Yena ntho ke yena wa lona yena tsa senya ntho entle. Ntho Jonas.
We kgonela because una le tšhelete.
Ka botse Jonas o tšhita ka bomang. Ke bomang ba ratana le Jonas.
Yo.
Ke bomang ba ratana le Jonas. The same woman. Jonas ya ratana le banna, o ratana le basadi because basadi ba mo batla. Le how can you will survive to go just for you to survive o ska ba kena o ska monna wa gawa ska ba o febela. I kopanele le ntho moago wa Modimo ke ikwetsa.
Jao.
I kopanele le banna bao e le moago wa Modimo ke ikwetsa. Ke sona. O tla survive.
Then hali jwalo, that means haona mole halitlo progress. Lenyalo la lona li aim to that level.
Manyalo ba tsana tšhelete as stable.
Oh yeah. Taba ke resource.
Manyalo ba tsana tšhelete stable.
Who ka data ke who lo check ke tšhelete. Mojola
Hai, nako tsa ga lo lo monate ka nnete for bo mme lo bong kholo ba bona. Ai, lo monate. Because ona jola motho ka next door. A itse bana le ene. Mme a ntse tseba for ntate o ya ka next door. O motla ma go bophelo ba le sharp, ba sna stress.
Ma go ba shebe
stress.
le ha re ke batho ba gale ne. O ba shebe le gale ha se every man ana le bana jwalo. O tlo thola yeo anana le dikgomo guys mojona so batho ba senang di-resource mme wa ka next door o tlo dumela hore a ba a etsetse ntate ngwana because wa bona hore ka next door ha phela
guys banna ba nang le tšhelete ba batluwa hohle banna ba nang le power ba batluwa hohle. That is why
and there's nothing the wife can do about it.
Re bone ke Kate Matlala mo ana le di record tse mo isitseng tronkong basadi they didn't see any criminal person ba bone a handsome and beautiful in it le bona ba ntse ba re Tepu bona ba ka se loki ba never bona ba yes Tepu ba maka iri Matlala a tla go ba free ba tlo monka Iri Kate Matlala to ba free mane a ditimona ba tlo monka because basadi ntwe ba ile balang bona they always forget or bona and they are not interested for marriage, even love, even relationship. Basadi the number one priority is like bona ke good life. Basadi babaka good life. And hore na good life ba ithola homa le security ne tlo tla mo khatsela ba batla good life ba batla security ba batla stability ba batla and hore ba di thola homa they go for it. And that is why rena le basadi ba ratanang le banna ba batho botsamo ba sheba they know what about this man a ka se monyalo what tseba o ya tseba gore moneno ka se monyalo but because moneno mo tshela petrol o mo rekela koloi o mo patala apartment o patala school fees sa bana o simplify your life ya high ba kene ba ratana le bona ha mona tijwa ba ratana le bona ba tlo iketsa bohlale mona ba dutse mona no nanga se etse jalo ba batla good life basadi all of them ba batla good life ba batla stability ba batla assurance. That is the thing, and to show that you can need to take background. That is why even if banali chelete basadi buy afford but still ba batla monna and ba batla chelete ya monna basa banali chelete. That is why batla jo sorry imali endo timnandi ubetha uspoilwa homunati and kin net we cannot run away from that thing because nature ya musadi ke o etse. That is why even if you have your own money but when your partner out rekela something you must so happy. Why? Because it's your nature. It can win unto you.
Sure.
So, that's
why say basa tlhagelele. That's why basa tlhagelele because o respect and tell our man ke ratana le motsepe ene motsepe o na le mosadi ene o hlompha mosadi wa hae nna ke sa itse. That's how no hlahella because John team mutate moruta ibua.
No ba ratana le bona. There's a place ebekia ho yona something. There's a something there was a place like more where these rich men only. It's very expensive. It is a restaurant. Honoya basadi mono to that place. Buy to those rich men banande basadi babo.
Yo.
Mona Bloemfontein, there's a place so into this hotel here into the MEC Bombarata. This hotel into buy some. There's most here basadi they go there because by a table or where
Sentence Lake Queen Capital. Wow.
But where basadi more? You know why by Balongo Panalebana Barrage. Let's out the Southern Sun. Southern Sun. It was on Southern Sun.
Southern
Sun.
Oh, if you want potential, you are more.
Buy a more.
We know that.
Married men are going there. Politicians buy a more. Samosha, all of these women, Baba can chelete, Baba can good life. They go there. Buy a basadi, and those men buy a man. It's killing married men. Marbaya. I'm pelon to Palacarunamo. Let me get a bit rumo. They get a bit rumo. How call it?
I never say about the Timuru to buy Pankanya.
Buy a fever, Thompson. Who won it by Pankanya?
But buy Pankanya, Batsiba. Batsiba Balocopana Libone says, Batsiba Balocopana Libone more, and a available over free. ha hona hore motho a ya pela ba order ka pela just one glass a tseba hore motho o lo kopana le ene e lo thola dinomoro tsa hae pele ba jole
ba divorce because ba ka good life o tlo dumela ha ke tla ba dutse di life mona ba tlo iketsa now will never yo polygamy yo ba batla go finisa batho ba polygamy small ka nako tse le bona ke di polygamist and
I once had a friend I'm not saying for a certain place I took his seat says hi a certain place I will only one glass and why to rena wa go kopana le motho o yang ko tla bolela gore ke fandag ke lo tla ke na le eng and I batla ka yona the following day I re me born I ke re go boleletse and like it's normal for them it's very normal
and the trouble is what's all we need to see what's all baba they go there ba lo kopana le bana bana ona mo southern
sun yes
yona they go there for this man ba fihle ba roba le lena then that guy mo fetchelete intse iwela for the fact ya re kwai e kenang ho wena mo ina le mo ibilonga teng e kena to somebody le wena wa dumela ene wa modumela o ntse o mona o kentse reng o ka ra yona wa I reheza o betsa reheza ya polygamy ya one night reheza re bitsa one night of
reheza of polygamy
of preparing yourself of go mamenene
yer vele galiba
it's a one night
rehearsal of polygamy of becoming
Sorry, kwa ya monna motho a nyanya bona ka titi o bona dilantsha a tsa sisa pela e tshwerentse a tshwere ka motho
ka masai
a ba ye ka masai
ai ba te ka masai le kotsi lona
ba nyanya mutai nyanya ka mo nyanya stel
molisa batho ba tla ba ba ikomita ka ntho tse monate le go le bosh
le bosh
man
save bone batho ba bombe ya ba save because o tla wa tseba hore o wife number 1 o wife number 4 ba itse ya nka o wa ga wa sa itse na o robetse ko palesa ka mo sho go ba le ko ma a itse a tsamaelene mos
ene o tla fumana motho bila ntse re ka English na
tswele o dintho tsa o ka decide ke re dimo
dibilo go
o ka decide gore tsena na tsona ke di share ke tsaka ngwana rona tsamang ka motho mabedi
guys ene mo femano mo natiswa what's more when I see
it's high time
what's more go jetse see orange what's more when I tweet of this copies because that's what we're telling banna bando they don't share I mean buy a song on a girlfriend mo share ka lunch le kopana le girlfriend o tla ka koloilia restaurant ngapa is in restaurant hotel kapa B&B o le fitla le kena le pata for that 2 hours
it's a day rest
ho jana qetile mo le mong ka kolo yae a hlapa ona mona iphumula ka dithabele di teng mo tsa hotel kapa guest house o iphumula ba skono o thewela go tla office le mong a go tla office mantsi bua ka 5 o'clock mo na o teng ka tudutse steng
o bala kurant
o shebeletse di news o khotse on top dutse mona tsore nna wa ka I don't share o khotse man una kene le bona number 2 mane una kene le matila bobedi second door
sure
o kene second door
wa experiment ha le mo
ha qetile yona tshele kene second door o tla bo e tshwere ka matswa babedi o
we hamela ntse o hama se fe
It's high time with a pillar. It's high time.
na bua di si o le mo se golo mo balla Lilla, Rosemary, ke go bonka rebe o tlo tseba jwang when your boyfriend a cheat ka ba sa cheat ka pa monna hao.
People are different.
Twela different. O swaka. A re tlwele people are different. O tlo tseba jwang when your husband a cheat ka ba sa cheat.
Okay, can I answer then? Okay, here's the truth. Obviously, I'm not gonna like be with him wherever he goes.
Okay.
But then I have faith. Ukuti people
No,
are like,
no.
Yo, what's name?
Yo. O tla tumelo. Lenyalo Rosemary. O tla ba sebetsa faith. Yo. Ke disappointed.
E ka re lenyalo le uputisa ntata gona maodimo. Lona la dala.
Give me a chance. Let me explain myself. I understand the dynamics of manyalo and relationships. I understand they're like technical and they're difficult and they're complex. But what I'm trying to say, I have faith the partner that has
Ama. O tseba cheating ya Jacobo, ya Dafita, ya batho bana kaofela.
And abatswa.
Abaro Dafita. Ngabo sa cheata ka mosadi wa motho, ngabo nkupile e mong ya sa nyalwa, ngabe ko ufila. Ke wa tseba temaneo. Wena o inka ka ntho tse di buang Rosemary.
And then the ha ona mo o tswile mo.
So sorry ke boro.
Robala skat.
Someone here for me chatting. Uno robala.
Bye. O dumedise faith.
like that, when it is like that.
Ne ke re fela o dumedise faith.
Yeah, Rosemary, but let me tell you something.
Rosemary has a robaleka wine glass. So fishita ba eo.
Abitso jwala. Ona na wa tsibile ka ma jwala. Ona na mabitso jwala ro tsibile jwala.
Yo, Rosemary. Yeah. O tlo bua ka faith.
O tla dula le batho ba spotong a sa batho. O tla etsala la boka a sa batho.
O tla o dutse le bone fela.
Batho bo dumelang.
Re tla o balla teman. Rosemary mamela teman.
Rosemary se ro ba le teman.
La za ke o nontso o niwe o nontso o relatetse le wena.
Rosemary. Very. Yo. Ke batla
o tla bontse botsa batho ke le tšhakele utlwa fela ga o ka tswa ka tlong.
Ngugulele ereng lona ke le tsenehela ke bona from chapter 7 verse 25 1 Corinthians mara tlo nka nako e telele. Ereng ke le tsenehela ba nyalane ba tla ba le di problem tse ngata lefatsheng. E ka hle.
E ka is.
Wait.
Ke ka check.
Ke a batla hleka wa Google re batla ba le di problem tse ngata ke a batla hle kana ke mang
the one more policy I think it is better not to get
e ka ena hle
1 Corinthians 7 verse 28
28 ereng o kiena thank you ngwana ka kiena ereng ke kopa ke qalo 25 ereng tabe ya barwetsana ha ke na taelo ya morena ke Paulos ke mpa ke fana ka keletso ke le ya tshepahalang.
Okay, 26. Because of the present crisis, I think that it is good for a man to remain as he is.
Alimo.
Yes.
Okay. Ibering, how o tlamahang imba ya nyalang imba ba nyalanang ba tla ba le matshwenyeho bophelong bona mme lona ke le tsenela. But you are a very high risk. You know why? Because the problem ya ho rema nyalong but be re batla ho etsa dintho tse existang be re di batla ekare be re di etsa ekare ha diyo o bo batla o etsa dintho tse existang o bo di ntsha ka tumelo existent ya
these are two people that are flawed. These are two people that are not perfect. So it's not like I'm like a teenager in a fairy tale world. When I meet somebody in people, that's still people but a certain way of.
But now question ko re wano ke go thola ye ka tsamaya ke batla re be ka Instagram
Linda ne ke tla ka theory and I used to pray for him ka 12 years ha qeta ba se I'll bother the flames.
Ko ki kela se ko jake le tola ya ngwaneno ko ki kela le tola ya ngwaneno ko jake le kene se ka nete bontate le bomme ba ntse ba requesta re batla batho ba tlo dulang tabeng yena ka nete ko paske ka linka ho hang ha ke batla batho to rentsha topicing yena ko ki a ko kene se ko tlo re jwetse le yana itseng ona dutse ntho
Parking lot
I guess le tola ya ngwaneno wa English
Your girl, are we sitting?
Rosie. I was you when I was 25, Rose. Like, and then that time I was so innocent, Rosie. Then I'm one rata, and I was very powerful with prayer and the word of God. After 7 years calling along, came on I get a bitatelo. As for Ayaka Laura Pella one. Kirapela one elevana, Federic Pelakilla one, Kirketebeka Loma Fenichara. Every Saturday, Sunday, hot and busy. Friday night, I'm alone. I'm going out with my friends. Pese friends ke business. Kirin tluela, nekitsi mabota kaofela. So, nekitsi lo hore maswana ka makae. In marriage, wa bona the loneliness of marriage ka malenyalong e botlhoko go feta ya go ba senyele. Kere batho ne ba sa itse because ne ke portray that couple, perfect couple. Because ne really born again really true. So, ke manatla nagana hore we get it with hotel.
Au kakile, bopolo.
Kakile, ka robala parking lot a melane. Ka yo robala ka driver kellela security ka mo parking lot. Re selalane until 6 a.m. in the morning. Re to local security sa night shift. Ara o bathong se se wetsang mo ke yo monna o tlhakisa kella gore. Ke re gona nong ho nenga tsamaile he ke phone a ya re. Take a text, bolele sepe. O tle ka 4 a.m. Konto.
O tlolela kae?
O lela ma security.
Ke re ma security ka sa itse re a ire. Banna ba tlhaka he ba bona mosadi alla. So ne ba sa itse re ba mpotse gore ba re yo shem sorry. Ke ra go tlaloka. Ke tla robala fana mo tumeleng ke robale. Ha ke ba tlipona ke nya go robala ka mo koloi. Cause ba gata ke gore motho a ire selo se. Yo! Nyala! Nyala o di bone.
Bonto!
Nyala o di bone ke re ka 12 ne ke mo rapella gore modimo o bless gore di business tsa gae di tswelle pele. Bless him gore a tlo re fa tšhelete. Guess what he did? We tsa ha credit tender. A tswa so moshimane. Ampotsa I'm no longer pretty enough for him.
Jo.
Mozalwane.
Why? Resourceful now. What's why?
Resourceful.
Yes, resourceful. Abona ale betere. Abona ale better. Ha tsamaya nshia ka re yo.
To me a re ngwana tswa ka thuya tlatsa dikobo. Ke na tle to me.
I'll tell request.
To the requester. A re ka thuna tswa tlatsa dikobo.
I would say if.
Le guy. Iteng. Ai Rosemary, wa tseba ke mongwe ba a neng a tshwanang le wena ngwaneso. Nna ke la ka nyola ke le monyane tse ke le letšetše. Go yetsa ba ke la ka lla from Joburg to KZN. Wa tsa ha ke fitla KZN ka etsang. ka ikisa sepetlele ntlo ga ke na kgona go robala ke le one ka kopa lo ikadmite ka kopa le ngadmiteng ka nnete for ka sheko ke tla tsosane ke ntlo
I'm a mind.
How can I spend the morning?
ga ke no kgona
If how can I spend the morning?
ka re fela ke kopa go robala ka ikeng ka re yare ga ke no kgona go robala ntlo a ba nte ba lello
Guys, sex and gender.
ne ko tantla re betheng ga ke no kgona go robala ke le mongwe ka shekoleng
I know why
sa ke na le lengolo la teng le following day a ka ba ka ya sekolong ka mosebetsing ka kopa gore ke thole off letsatsing leo sepetlele le call ya teng ke etsitse sepetlele ke founela manager ke re ke a kule ke admitting le ke le next so and nna ke le monyane I think I was 20 something ke nyetse ke le monyane ke 21
and o le motle
and o le motle o bereka
Mara sebeletsa next
I'm a mind, Eve. I'm a mind. Come to the I'm a mind.
Ai, ite hantle ngwaneso, re kids.
yo
Hi, Ko.
no boss are ke a speaking ka mo hele bana a ke go gona ro wala ke le
True. I can no go no true.
yo ke batla tumi ka e mara
I would like to me request
tumi
that
ke na hle tumi hle ngwana rona yeah guys har kwa le sele re tsamaya ka nnete
and next. O tla tumena na tswa ka 2 a hlatsa dikobo.
yeah mara tumi ke risk I'm telling you for beside
Where Rosemary
ke risk mo hlotseng it's a risk wa bona Rosemary ntwere e re shapileng ka o fela manyalo e leng ya re shapa ha re ka ra jwetswa dinnete tse ka ra lenyalo re ne ra kopana le batho ba ileng ba polisha dintho ba bua dintho tse good fela ka lenyalo ba ke ba re jwetsa di reality tse etsalang ka and today ha re di bua today o jwetsa batho re hona le reality e so batho ba nana wa condona wa support our guys cheating it polygamy it dintho tsena they are there but ba batla o re di etse ka radio and they are there and that is why today when re kopana le tsona re robala speaking re admit
ile ko admission nana meleni kholo
nna si ne ke tsamaye ka lo reka hamore ntho cash build ya 700 ke betsa di furniture ka tlung ke di kapa ka hamore
Naka ya chemistry. Kare ho fa makiri a tlhae ke kopa dipilisi tsa stress. Moshimane a mpona re. Ke tla o fa tsena na tse tla o beang hantle. Ena dipilisi tso di ka ya sa go planela teng ke eng. Thank 2. Dana mpe ha tle ka robala ke robetse. Rosemary ho fe
nna o sa ka lekeng ke ka ya cash build Rockland ka re ke kopa le mphe hamore go 700 rand ka kena ke bile le hetlentse ibeke tlen ke bile le hetlentse ke o pula ho nona le tafel tsa di dining room tsa tsene di buang o no e bula tse ya di tura tse 6 kapa tse 8 o no e bula tse ne ke isa pe hona mona mo e bule ha dai beta ke le ke isa hona mo e bule ha ya ko be ya ka ya di tiling ka betsa di tile ke ne ke sapi di tile e tsa di queen ka utlwa ke khathetse di phaka tsa ka di le bohloko di tile di ana o tshwatle yo
Neo hle my sister wena he kukupa request hle rato laka ka o kopa hle Neo I drove to yo Rosemary
Rosemary. When I was done, I was so good.
I kulela yaka inyenyana na like le fa monna ka ne le hodimo la ka je then my younger sister le nthontse bua ye and ang khalimela mama seliti ang khalimela fatshe are ke kopa o le nthontse bua yo are wa bona mo mo re tsamayang teng mo re nwa mo a monna wa ha tsamaya di pleke tse wa tso mo mara ka tsamaya le banna ba batho ntho me felle pakeng tsa ka no ska hlo tshoro wa tsaba slike pelo ka ine le bohloko ne mara ka utlwa wa tsaba ka utlwa ke nnete mari ine le nnete e bohloko mara ka utlwa and honestly ke itsa ke hlaelo I always ke mo blend like ke hlaya nna ke hlaetso ke se ke le thata ke ntla no na mo tla sa o njetse ka ka mo ha o tsamaya tsa mo tla go twa
man
kana a ke na go bapala
wa bona we need wa bona Rosemary you need
o kampa ke phela ke acceptile whatever but now na mo kyang ha ona mo kyang
what's ba mamela Rosemary these are the people ba re ba hlokang ka dipeletso ba so that once o ka thola monna ya sa cheating e be ba pasela e be ba
bonus yeah
but you need people ba tshwana le Lizzy
ba ke na le mo tse kae this year ke na le 21 ke nyetse this year
yo eno kopane le tsona dintho tse
bona ene o tseme bophelo mbaka ke second boyfriend ya ka e sale ke hlaya
to
monna nyetseng a ke so jole ke o tse ke tshaba batho ba bontate hamdi mara bona na mara a ke ba tlo bolella maka sense be di tsenga ntho so ai I'm on you must have thick skin and then now where's part of it I'm not socializing
sure
I don't have friends that ke bana ba ka ke na ba shimane by 2 but guys nna ke happy ke thola ka red wine glass e one ke a go bala man e molong e luki
njebele ke yona skat
ke me ke yak hey engole mo tsona au ka iketse tsa favor bophelo wa dula o thabile wa ithata that's all
hi
engole mo tsona I get a village glass of wine
sure
and I'm not out of what I'm taking quite dealing when I'm taking Yaka di meetings is nine
sure girl wow
o khonne jwang
Tomolong ke yona ha le teng o teng ha le siko ha tomolong ke yona man
ha ona nteke e ke yentseng ke le jwetseng ai yo ke engolengwe ke yona wa tsa ka ha ona nteke e yentseng
bona if ya rena na sanwe a sa tshware bojwala mara lenyalo le motsibisitse jwala
ona motho ana tshwaretse sethunya ke nyalo ke monnona taba tsa ka e tsaka sano le mme wa ka o tsa pela ntatwa ka ba tsebi
sure wow thank you Rosemary Mbamela ECR nna ne ke sanwe ke tsibile
ona ntwe thata mona theola moya fela
a re ke tsibile wine ai na bungozi
kamana abana mokoka o tlo fa
ha ona mofetsa ha ona mokgona
mar utla Evie are una sanwe jwala are o tsibile jwala ka
after lenyalo
talento ayina bungozi
yo baba Lizzy
lenna
Lizzie, itulele uswaka. Kaofela ba tswileng re ba le a bofebe. Re ka rabona goed mona mjolong.
Ebile o feta bo re bo baleile.
Lizzie, kaofela batho ba baleileng bofebe because ba bale a bofebe. Jole re ka re ho bona ha re febi di underpele le dipenti di los. O kila bona G-string ine los. Yes. O bona no re ke motho ikambe ka kgwele ya teki. Kanti ke G-string. Yes.
Man. Boys.
Bye-bye, Lizzie. Rosemary Kubai.
Good night, family. Good night.
What?
Boy, senyane sweetie.
Utla go tata voice. O kila bona go mame bo sa tsebo re mo ntate modipo bo robala kampa. O petetse go mame o re no tlo rapela. O bo robala kampa o thutsitse tu.
Yo.
Ye ba dlala. Bana ba dlala ba. Yo.
Sure. Ke re o gomame mo ke re sengwe ila itlente te go sa tsebo na o reng. Yo. On se rappelle tjate fe. Jo ha ke sa gona. Ona tjate fe. O bitsa ba go le bon tate
Ke
mo.
go ke Neo o requestil. Neo ke o le re ona jika ya botshabe.
Nanza.
Jumela.
Nanza.
Hello Nanza.
Kona ke kenang, kona ke chaisa.
Re kopa mamele Nanza, re kopa mamele.
Neoza.
Jumela, ke kae?
Hello.
Le kae?
Ya. Ke mang o so o ntsa re face wa tsa shape ha ipe hantle. Ha hona ni kore a tla mafela a ipe hantle. Hai, o itse ke gopola ke ya botshabelo, ke se le show for petrol e re eng. Yes. Ha ke na family botshabelo. Ke lo ke ya ko mang ko botshabelo. Ke realize ke le halfway for Mariano ke ya kae mare mo. Mara botshabelo ke itse mang ke. Ha ke bua le nna ka ke se shitla ke sa se shitla nne ha ke ema ke tloela stay wili ke shapa matsong se ke di show ka itse ke yo.
And the sad part ne akire Neo nna ka o itse. Neo o montle o bereka tiro sharp o na le kolo ye smart mara lenyalo ke ne le mo.
Lena formula halina taka halina clever. Tshwantse la re nne di realist le rato ha re tsena mo lenyalong. O tsena o itse gore you accept dintho tse ding. Gore you don't shy away and you don't run away from the fact that you are not enough sometimes to only one. You need to accept and make peace lento you. So but ngata ba docha, they don't want to accept. Ipeye sentle. Wena ha o tsena o ipele sentle. Faith o tla ibona ko pele, but I'm telling you, I've been married twice. Why didn't they two? They failed delete yalo. Because at some point ke ne ke fila gore ha ke tlo shera monna, ha ke tlo until when se nna no yana motho wa ka and nna go play I divorced twice. Mare ke ngwanyana o lucky ke a jolega ene ka joliwa and men settle nna ha ba jola le nna wangana settle. So my current partner nna ke mo bless kere not to be honest ke batle gore ke ne ke re I am leaving room for disappointment. Ke tsena ka matlo a bulegile ke tsena ka maoto a ithuketse ba gore ke etsa eng. Should you decide to replace me, not even replace, should you decide to date motho mo nna I'd be comfortable la o ka mplela. At least it's gore ke ka gare ga eng mara ntwe go rona gane o monosi a dali o maka.
You left the hard way.
Now, it means to accept the reality who thusitse wena no.
Go nthusitse no because ntate okay a ke gone ke na le jara mo relationship ya ka entšha no ne. A ke re I divorced ga ithu so no yana gone ke na le jara le digwedi. Go monate go lovely go ono go hot go fire everything on point
mare ke re room ya disappointment e dick ke sile ha ke batle gore ke nne ke re ke ipesa sefuba. I'm a realist in that end ke feel gore nna motho ha ka re Sthepu ke a tsaya because either or Sthepu staying whether we like it or not le rona mo se ra tsamaya ra sheba ra khahlwa. It's just that rona basadi I think re na le discipline nyana ele but this thing man ntate ha tle ha go thusi go idosha ke ntho e re hlahile wena ke bile khopola wa no fio Simmons wena ntate mo gutineng neng ka dina le dintho tse le tsa di couples marriage seminar o kile wa re monna o go keletse bofebe o ne wa e bua ye ntate e sale idula and it stuck with me ntho ya gore monna and everything is an insult but you were being realistic ke ntho e tlile ke dela batho ka wena ke re you are a realist and batho ba hintsi they don't understand o preacher nnete o preacher ntho e diragalang so people want to mold and shield and lie mare ko morago ko dikhoneng ba di dira batho ba one understand. They shield, they pretend as if these things don't exist. These things they happen. We need to
what's man take you down? Come round because the entertaining the shock or carrying a retibile need. Ngabo jika body tilenza botshabelo. Ngabe bonke. Ngabe re sa etsa dintho tsena tse ngata. You know why when now some lisi the prophet? Because on a serious note, guys. Otsa batswadi ba rona ba ne ba rely ka nnete. One, when e ra o tlonyalo ho no tungwanaka, o tsebe jolo tlonyalo. We are lapeng la di hole.
Mo nang le di
hole. Mo nang le matawa. So everything in a car, in this shock. How kopana le tawa in your family? Amo monna. It was not a shock.
Uno kula re ki jwetitse gore batho ba so ba teng.
Uno jwetsa gore ngwana go tswe.
Ka yone ya gore ya gore monna gore ba re blele nnete man because basadi re khatlase and it's a fact especially mo manyalo a rona batho ba bantsi not gore re khatlase as in like bo mesebetsi kopo impact wa itse gore your role as mosadi ke eng so sometimes how utlwa gore he man motho wa ka 120 this thing shouldn't come as a shock and if only ile gore e ka be le dilo tse re bleletsweng ka tsone ya ka re bleletswe gore go na le mahlanya go na le digole le bofebe ka ba ntse ba botsenyeleditse mo re tloge re ntse re itse go se ke gwana le anything e etsahalang e ka re ke shock wa understand o yana re dile di petrol re ya go re sa itseng teng ha ka be ntse re bleletsweng ka be re ntse re sa ya di halfway re lla re sa itse re lela eng wa utlwisisa yana ha ita be hedile motho lo mo tseleng o tlhafetswe ke kotsi ka nako ha o bua motho a teng o cool e ka ga gona le nese wena o tswa golla o tswa marama a opa o re ke no tlonto hela we must be realists dilo tse they happen in as much as it be dilo pain ha gona motho o e leng gore ntho ha find out ka yone it doesn't come as a shock or as it will be a shock it will be painful mara o tla bo itse wa utlwisisa so mona ha bo tshintshweng system ha go laiweng nnete e re phelang ka yona
no but lo go jwetse neo some le prophet some lisi le batho ba ntshebeletseng o shebe nowadays re lawa ke boma
ke ditshomtsa
o tla bonyala o bolawa ke di friend tsa hao tse sa nyalwang tse so ka di nyalwa tse sa tsebeng mata receptioning mataka o tisetse o lawa re lawa ke bana ongutlwa
ka ba bua ka tisetso ka ke re ile matisetso go lenyalo mwena ntete moruti ka go television la ka ke matisetso the way bane ba sena nnete ka teng why bane ba sa bui fore o tisetse because o tlo kopana le bofebe mo tseleng daga mo wa itse o bitsitswe matisetso yalo o bitsitswe matisetso under e ke bitsitswe matisetso exbing ke tiki tsile ka ene le ka letsatsi le one because ha ke a tlhaloganya go tikitiseletse eng wa understand mo tla go buile gore
no what
so go find out ha be realistic tle
mara
that's true
no yana motho o tsene with your eyes wide open ha gona motho ba tlang go cheatiwa but o tsena o itse gore there's a possibility ya gore
ke kanna ka utlwa go tika mosho motho o 120 it's not even an issue ya gore how trust motho ke go ipeya and to be realistic ka bophelo le the way bophelo bo leng ka teng wang understand hey happy pension ka tlhe o swele ke mang tlhe a wa face I pension ka man
Rosemary Mati
What's about that?
ha bohloko sepapano o tla phaqala ha bohloko
Ya re tla phaqala ta robala spetlele hle. What's about? Koki u bua something. That's why now I know what I know better. The men who will love me will enjoy. What's about why? Because now reality imurutile without an understanding.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, we do reality. Reality is down to everybody.
Yes.
Libo Rosemary now. And she allowed reality abai amuhela.
Ke yona hele batla galang sepapana otherwise ra itetsa. Ra itetsa.
Thank you so much, Neo. Thank you so much, Prophet.
Thank you, Ratu.
Thank you, Mati.
No, but thank you so much, Wena. Si kaneti. We don't. It is not like we support cheating the body polygon. Because dit ending total. Kaneti nanekir for the sake ya khoto ya how wena motho ya shebeletseng. Fedin tsa dintho go ye ke o fela modimo ka tlhoki ye ke ditseba dintho tsena so that this gets breaker.
Yeah.
Because lenyalo today le maditse batho ba bangata guys we are wounded ona jwang. Kidi surprise sa manyalo kidi ntho tse re kopane le tsona manyalo ene di sentha seleke all of us but ba kopane le dintho lenyalong there is nothing e motho ka re nna ke kopane le ntho e ntha it was new but it is because of rebellion naive raba raskera dumela gore dintho tsena di teng and now ha di tla di re lemaditse di re entseng but nane ke re it's good re di tsebe and really di support but really it's good to the so that haiba di sa etsahale o tsebo right that modimo ka nnete it's a bonus.
It's a bonus.
But how do you etsahale because you know what is painful guys ka dintho tsena tsa manyalo le di relationship hape di khosa bofutsana bo bongata guys re tswa ka mona re sia banna re sia basadi re qala from zero re tloela manyalo re lo qala because today, most of poverty because of the divorce. Divorce is the fast. Today we've got people by investing in manyalo, by investing in the relations. I mean manyalo, but kabakala di cheating, kabakala di ing, din total record overcome. Obotolor today would lose everything. We're not about it today, and you did not lose only that man, but you lose literally everything you know invested to that marriage. And about you today, it's difficult for them to recover.
Yes.
Baba is difficult.
Very difficult.
Baba Maruna the age they don't allow us or really difficult because how divorce the age when we register no let us sell this house and nagita kala fast. And the guys are thinking they can return to only ukwala kayon. And this thing kibatali utwanke because kibata ukwala kayo. Inkile karai kibaruta kibekiri. When rinyalani silike, otlaka 10,000, kitlaka 15,000. Maybe we are working together. Ne otlaka 10,000,
otlaka
15,000. Rinyalani. Now life yoruna repeat akabukai.
Ka 25,000.
Now here is the problem here that basadi baba ngata ba end up ba se ba le forced to ratana le banna ba batho. Go go jwetsa ke. Now how to divorce nna lwena. Ke tsamaya ka 15,000 yaka. O sala ka bokae ya?
Ka 10,000.
Now lifestyle ya rona ne se re beile kae?
Go 25,000.
Go 25,000. Two, most of the time o tlo nka bana. Most of the time, now the standard of life is how since the selling money close to 25,000. Now
Le bana.
Le bana.
Ha se nna fela le bana ba tlwaetse life e.
Sometimes ke a support, sometimes I support because banna bana le yona ntle. Banna ba support, sometimes they do.
Ba support.
Even if ba support about now.
Tšhelete se ha isa fitla 25.
Ha isa fitla. Now the problem here now, when you so realize that you sokola petrol. O sokola sometimes electricity. O sokola ho pata gas. Ho hlaha boss farka. Una le koloi ha emisa fela emisa ka Mercedes Benz kapa ka ntho ka Porsche wa free automatically sonto model this person ona le tšhelete o sokola petrol o sokola eng o tlo etsa o tlo modumela and o modumeli because sometimes o morata but mo modumela because
o tlo kwala gap
hona o tlo kwala gap yani e tloetsang gore se ke wa email. That is why rena le banna ba basadi ba ratanang le banna ba batho. Number 2, that is why rena le basadi ba sa batleng banna ba snang mix. Banna ba batla banna ba nang le something. Why? Because ba batla banna ba tlo ba thusang.
Sure.
Ratisitso and mutisitso. What is your slogan?
As long as we are ratisetso le matisetso.
No, but guys, let us be honest. Let us be very, very honest. Ekai divorce yetsa matsatsingana ka maphelo a rona. We start from zero every time. We start from afresh. We reqala from zero. Bana ba rona ba safara. E safari sa le bana, e divide le bana. Today hona le batswadi ba dutseng le bana. But papa bona o dutse le bana ba bang somewhere.
Never o bua something. O qeta go tswa a re yo. O ska bua hlenta te moruti. Imagine at my age I divorced twice. Ke senyehetswe ke nako e kae.
Now ke itse o ntho bang ka yona. Ke tseba ka bona ke divorced 2 times. Ke divorced twice ngwana rona. Ke senyehetswe ke nako e kae. Nka be ke le kae.